Good morning, Tradeify Nation, and welcome back to another London session stream. I got there today. I was able to get it out. Obviously, yesterday I was a little bit sketchy there in the morning, but I'm good. I'm ready. Hope everyone's doing amazing, having an amazing day already. If you guys have traded in this bearish market we're seeing right now in NQ, I'm shocked to say that, but if you guys have been in these sales, amazing. Hope you guys have crushed it. If you've been in the charts at all, been trading, hope you guys have been crushing it. And I cannot wait to get into yet another 3-hour London session stream with you guys. Yesterday did not have the best day on the markets, obviously, in the London session. You guys would have seen. So today I'm back. I'm refreshed. I've reflected on that trading, on that second trade that I took, and ready to get NASDAQ back today. So let's see what we get. We already have such a big Asia session move, so that's always exciting. Hopefully we get some clean plays in London today and we can bank. So let me just quickly, before we get into the charts, say good morning to who we have here. Good morning, Jalen. Also, peep the new Tradeify layout. I gotta say, it does look fire. So wait, let me just do my good mornings before we get into anything else. So good morning, Jalen. Good morning, Southern Boy. Good morning, Maxwell. Good morning, Nothing to do now but play games. Right. Good morning, Logie. Good morning, Ron Trades. Good morning, Misty. Good morning, Burak. ICT. Good morning, Constantine. Good morning, Realist. Bashi Trades. Good morning, Pino. Suriluki. Good morning, Quacker. Gifigio. Good morning. Good morning. We'll Trader PPK is here. Joshua. Cameron, Prince Amir. Good morning to you all. I hope everyone's ready to crush it today. Let me know already as well if you guys are actually in these sales. But yeah, markets are moving. So let's take a look what we can see. This is NASDAQ, of course. This is the daily chart. This is what I'm noticing on NQ now. We did fail. This was the swing high yesterday. I pointed out on the daily that I did expect us to take out first before having a drop. And we have just come pretty much to a couple points below that high, and then yesterday's NQ New York session just sold off from that high. So we didn't quite sweep. That was a level I wanted to see swept, but we sort of just hesitated just below that high again, like that position I was in during the London session, how we got almost to that point and then we just sold off. So that level there is still something, now that we have these two relatively equal highs, something that I definitely see Bryce heading to in the near future. I cannot say when, but that is definitely my next point to the upside. That level is 30,975.50. So I will keep that mark there because that's definitely an area of price I say looks too clean for a draw on liquidity. So targets to the downside, however, previous day low has already been swept. We have had already, I measured the Asia session that we've had so far. This high to this current low is 610 points. So that is a crazy drop. I think NASDAQ is almost down 2% here. We're already down 1.7%. So all of this bullish move that we've made up, where we've sort of like wiped that all out in a session. So this was the weekly open. And we pumped from that new week opening, and then we've completely just died and reversed all of that pump move. And this is the next level to the downside that I would say we get down to if we are to get into shorts today. My level to the downside is definitely this swing point. This is from Wednesday, the 17th of June. That's an area of price I say we could get down to if the bears is going to continue here. I don't really see anything else in the way on NQ, and especially because we've had this clean bearish, very strong bearish candle close in the 4-hour. I'm definitely leaning more heavily bearish towards this swing point now. So in terms of the session though, what will I be looking for? Definitely need right now, the previous 4-hour low has been swept, but I'm going to need a lot more than that to just get into a long position here, because I've got bearish context against me here. This has been a very significant drop on NQ, and to just buy up right now would be a little bit on the risky side. So I'd require, at least if it is going to be a 1-minute inversion, it would have to be a strong displaced candle. At the moment, those 2-3 candles is not as strong as I'd like, just to have significant 1 minute candle displaced. So I'd probably look for more of a 3-minute inversion today. Given that we are so bearish, if I am going to long and try avoid just catching the falling knife here, I am going to wait for a maybe a 3-5-minute inversion. I think that's a lot stronger than what a 1-minute inversion, for example, here could be today. But that is what we are looking at in terms of, bearishness. Of course, right now we are continuing to drop. But that is not my model. I'm not the trader that would get into the drop like this. I'm now waiting for the reversal back to the upside. So yesterday's London session was just that. Where were we? During the London session, so something like this where we were pushing, and then this is the area of price where I'm looking for that pullback, that drop down. So that is what I'm looking to potentially happen today, because we do have all these gaps as well. When we have a bearish drop or a bullish pump like this, there are gaps to play into as well. So I like to have those gaps as potential areas of price to draw into. If not swing points, then gaps. So right now we do have this hourly gap that has been untapped. So there is lots to draw to back to the upside. I will just wait, be patient, and wait for that point in the market that I can get into that reversal. All right. How is everyone doing? Let's have a look who we have. Good morning, CMA. Prince Me says one day we're going to surprise Celine and reach the light goal before she even comes on. Go for it. I highly doubt that, but go for it. By the way, speaking of like count, we're gonna do 400 and no, we're gonna keep it. We're gonna keep it at 400 to bring Nick on, and I'm gonna say 480 for the first giveaway. You guys smashed it yesterday, so no doubt you'll smash it again. But 400 for Nick. Let's do that. You got time. You got time. Jay Runner says, good night. Already caught the dump and calling it a day. Let's go. I love that. That is the best way to trade. Be able to have an early night, make your money, and call it a day. Morning, Kiz. Christo Cape Town says, done with trading for today. I'm almost done with my evaluation on 25K select. Wait, you're almost done as in you've almost blown it, or you're almost done as in you've almost passed it? Because that could mean two very different things. Rage Titan Fury says another negative down 4% day, hopefully. You think? I wonder if it's going to be that sort of dump to the depths of hell kind of down NQ. I'm really watching. I mean, this swing low now can obviously, this previous day low level isn't as significant once we've closed so strongly. This bearish candle closes below this low, signifying like a strong market shift there. Yeah, this is the next low that I want to see how it reacts, because if we do get down and sweep this low, I'm more interested to buy off this level than in the middle of this range here. So we'll see. CMA says, hey Celine, just joined, had a great session yesterday with the Master Rebecca and Miriam. Asked them a lot of questions about profit from dynamics and risk management. Really learned a lot from their insights. Excited to see what we're diving in today. Amazing. Love that, CMA. Love that you're obviously tuning in and learning and asking questions. That's what we want you all to do. But appreciate that. Good morning, YPS. Christo Cape Town says previous week low should be the target where NQ will sweep. Let's have a look. Yeah, that is that low that I have marked. So that low is 29.93 is previous week's low. What did I say? 923. And then this low from this low is 93. Yeah, that is previous week's low. You know what? I'm just going to label that. I should be able to have that here. Previous week low. Wait, no. Bear with me, chat. I need to get previous week's low in there, not current week's low. Wait. Where is it? Week and then low. Okay. There we go. So that is previous week's low level. So that is much easier than me drawing those lines on there. So now we can see that swing point from Wednesday the 17th is actually last week's low. So I also agree with you guys there. The previous week low could be the area of price that we're going to reverse from. NQ took out the high, but summary chart showing it relatively equal highs. This is a September contract, so we did make relatively equal highs here. But on the continuous chart, I think potentially that was a sweep. Yeah, let's have a look. Oh, no. No, both the September contracts, they exactly copy what the continuous has done. So we didn't actually quite get the sweep. All right, continuing to see a drop here. If you guys are in sells, hold. I say just hold this. Do you guys trade gold? From time to time, I will take a trade on gold. It's not my preferred asset, but when NQ is being boring, sometimes there can be a setup here. Yesterday, there were some good setups that I could have taken, just wasn't on the chart at the time. But for example, this would be a clean day for me to buy. I would take a long on gold actually. So again, this is Friday's low. We've now taken that out. We've swept out previous 4-hour low, this level here, previous 15-minute low, and all these stacked lows down here have been swept. So this is an area of price if we get the inversion, which we currently are. I would actually take a long there. If I could get the MGC contracts in time. Bear with me. I never have the gold charts ready. Okay. I need to... Okay. All right. I'm gonna wait. Technically we are within 2 minutes of this 15-minute new candle on gold opening. So technically this would not be the time to long gold. Gonna wait for the new 15-minute to open, hopefully wick down, and then get into the distribution of that next 15-minute candle. So I'm gonna wait here. Wait on gold. I'm gonna open both charts now though. And then we can see NQ and we can see gold at the same time, because too many times I've missed trades because I just only look at NQ. So there we go. We'll have that open. Lol, you couldn't pay me to long, son. I know, it's one of those days. We're just going to keep selling off here. I mean, there's still areas of price you can take. You could be in a sell. Like, you guys have seen this before. Nick has been in a long, for example, and I can still take a small short in a market that just continues to buy up. But the thing is, we're not going to sell off continuously for the entire day, right? There has to be some sort of pullback, some sort of point in price where there is a little bit of a, I mean, it doesn't have to be a reversal as such, but definitely a pullback. Otherwise, if we're just so strongly bearish, I won't get a setup in here. But to play the pullback today, I don't hate it. Nick probably in 10 micros average from the top. Probably. He's probably sniper entry this short. We'll be able to see what he's in just a minute, not in a minute, but very soon when he comes on. And we'll be able to see whether he's sniped those shorts or not. Are you looking for gold? Bogdan, yes. The answer is yes. So right now on gold, we've had sweep of previous 4-hour low. You can see this level here. Currently no sweep of that previous 15-minute low level, but yeah, so no actual A+ setup there. But hold on, if I go back, this level here that we had swept, this previous 15-minute low was aligned with the previous 4-hour low. So that's when I would be looking for that long setup, except it didn't play out in the first 10 minutes of that 15-minute candle. So I'm not entering the inversion there. Just waiting. Check your DMs after the stream. I will, Kiz. I will absolutely check if you've sent me something. Sorry if I've missed it. I've been super busy, but I will. I'll have a look. Celine, I think today you will have some setups. It looks really volatile. Yeah, absolutely. I think today might be a nice day for the pullback, the reversal longs. We've just dumped way too much, like 600-point drop is crazy. And so I'm excited when we get drops like this to play that pullback reversal. So we'll see what we get. Not going to force anything, no way. But if I get a setup that's clean, that's a lot stronger, like a displaced 1 minute inversion, or if it's a 3 minute inversion, 5 minute aligned with those sweeps, then I will get them with the bulls. Morning Ursula, morning Leia says she's so excited for the weekend. I know why you're excited, because you'll be with me. Now I'm really excited. I hope there's more of the London session gang that's going to come out to the London Prop Expo out there. I'm very excited to meet those of you who are going. I know Leia and Kiz, you're going. I know there are a few others. It'll be fun. It'll be a London session gang meetup. It's going to be awesome. Russell's actually being nice to me today. Russell says, hey Celine, have I ever told you that you have the prettiest... Guys, Russell, that's actually a compliment. I appreciate that, Russell. That is the prettiest hair. You know what? Thank you. I'll take it. Edward, you look so much like my ex. Wow. Edward, I don't know how to take that. That's like, thank you. I don't know if that's a compliment. Brains, we need an explanation as to what the hell happened. To be honest, chat, what is the news that is dragging the markets down right now? I mean, I didn't actually check all the market news today, but we have had quite a steep drop. And whenever that happens, I mean, we have got the peace deal pretty much signed, the agreements there with Trump and Iran, which you would expect NASDAQ then to skyrocket and pump it. This drop, this is more, I feel, tech related. I'm just going to check actually if there's any major news headlines. Yeah, and Q Predator says no news, just chip stocks are down. Well, if you got the AI, if you got tech, anything down, then NASDAQ's going to be down. So anything like Amazon dropping, then we're going to see these major drops. But doesn't mean that we're not going to recover from this. This isn't the end of the bulls. It's just a little dip moment. And when we get the dips, you best believe we've got to be buying that. So I'll be finding a point in price. I definitely see previous week low there as a level that we could definitely drop into, given that it is very close now. That level is only from here to here is 130 points more to drop. So very doable. We could do that literally before London even opens. So we'll see. We'll see. And gold, on the other hand, gold sort of stuck in this consolidation here in the 1 minute. Just waiting with gold. Japan increasing rates, increasing the risk on borrowed funds in US equities. Okay, that would be definitely something. High inflation, Trump admin lying all the time, Fed rates hikes, possibly TV. Okay, so there are some headlines. Nothing like majorly. Not like the other day when we just had a peace deal being signed and then the market skyrocketed. We have SMT with ES and on NQ. Okay, let's take a look at ES if there is SMT there happening at the moment. So I'll just mark up also previous week's low on here as well. That would make it easier. Okay, All right, so previous week low on ES has been swept. So we right now are looking at an SMT. That just means it's not a reason to get into the longs now, but it is just something to keep in mind. Use it as confluence, not as a confirmation as to why you should be in that long. Right now, it's still looking very heavily bearish. I mean, there's nothing here screaming to me that this is the point of reversal. I'm expecting NQ to drop to that week's low. Who is still holding these shorts, by the way? Very, very clean. Very clean drop. No one believes any peace talks now. Every ceasefire gets broken. It's kind of true. It's been such a difficult time to trade when you've got, on the one hand, a supposed peace deal, and the next day there's headlines that somebody's been attacked, and it's terrible, and it's been very up and down with the markets, and it's been difficult to trade. So I'm looking forward to just having a done deal, sign it, move on. Can we please have some clarity as to where these markets are moving? It's been one of the hardest times, I think. It's too up and down. Unfortunately, I read somewhere Celine is engaged, so yeah, unlike AI, she's of market chatterinos. What does that even mean? You guys, what is with this chat today? Celine only replies if you have what? Celine only replies to you have pretty hair comments. Market analysis, forget it. Not true, Russell, but I had to call you out because that's the first nice thing that you've said. So I appreciate that. Sup, good people, just dropped in to see if Celine got that USA jersey I sent. Oh, let's not talk about it. Those Aussies let me down. I am ashamed, to say the least, but we still have a chance. Actually, let's just see who we are playing, when we're playing. We're playing Paraguay. Wait. Friday, okay. Oh, it's Friday, 5 a.m. my time. That's going to be a bit of a difficult one. Oh, and that's even worse when I'm in London. I think that's 3 a.m. Whatever. I got to support the Aussies. By the way, Messi, what a performance. If anyone saw Argentina play yesterday, he is, hard for me to say, but he is a goat. He's waiting for short. CMA waiting for a candle close below the level. Tim Trades just closed my short, maybe early, but more than happy with 200 points. Yeah, I would definitely be happy with more than 200 points. Like, the thing is, you could be greedy and keep trying to hold and hope for more, but you have to like sometimes just realize how much you've actually taken off the market. Like 200 points is a nice trade. However you're sizing that, doesn't matter. You have to realize for what it is. 200 points is sometimes like, that's more than a London session sometimes. So an entire range of London sessions. So it is a crazy trade that you pulled there, and well done for being able to take that profit and lock that in. T-Man, are you on a short? No, I'm not. This is not my type of price action to be trading. When the market dumps or pumps, it's not really for me because I like to trade the reversals. So there's nothing for me yet, but I'll be waiting. Messi isn't always the GOAT. 5 goals in 2 matches. Yeah. He is really overperforming right now. I mean, this is probably like, it's crazy to say like towards the end of his career, he's like at his peak. Like that is wild. I think he's the new record holder for the most goals scored in a World Cup. I'm pretty sure. Y'all should play Mecha Chameleon. What is that? Missy says, crazy. I'm almost took 350 points this Aegis session. You guys are killing it. You guys are absolutely smashing it. Honestly, if you guys are trading this with prop or live, like there is money to be made. A drop like this, like what are we now? When we started the stream, it was like a 600 point drop. It's probably now more like 700. Oh, wait. Get from this high to this low. 695 points. So that is wild. This is a nice, also just looking at this hourly reaction that we had at this Asia Open, this hourly gap. We bought up into this gap and then we completely fell from there. So that would have been a nice area to put together a short. Yeah, that is very clean. Not the way I would have traded, but I can see how some traders would have caught a short off that using that hourly gap. And it's been just dumpity dump since then. Well, once we take out this previous week low level, I will be looking for those longs. Bean Will says, all right, I'm leaving before the FOMO log. Good luck, folks. Yeah, in days like this, on days like this, when the market is dumping and you haven't traded, either your setup hasn't shown or you haven't been able to trade, or for whatever reason, it's very easy to get FOMO. That was something that I really struggled with watching when I used to just trade New York session and watching some days where we would just dump or we would just pump. Like either way, New York session is obviously very volatile, and there was a time where it just would do it every single session and I could not get a trade in, and it would bother me. I'd be like, why can't I get a trade in? I would have FOMO. I'd be just trying to click the button to get in, and it did me so much damage to my accounts. It was not worth it. So guys, when you see the market dump, don't force yourself into it. Just wait for your setup. It's the only way. East says Mecha Chameleon is a video game version of hide and seek, but you can paint your characters to blend into the... Why are we talking about this game? I'm so confused. We play Mario Kart here on Tradeify TV. Mario Kart is our thing. We did play yesterday. I did not perform. Let's be usual. I'm really struggling with Mario Kart on Switch. I'll be honest. It's a different game. Mr. says, Celine, wait for me. I'm coming again in 30 minutes. Bye. I'm in bank doing banking stuffs. All right, Mister, you enjoy the banking stuffs. We'll still be here in 30 minutes. Knowledge Nuggets, are you going long? No, not yet. The answer is not yet. Hey, good morning, cheese balls. Boys Crypto with the stats says, we haven't had an overnight market this bad in over 2 years, August 2024. Damn. Is this the worst, when saying worst, but the biggest move in an overnight session we've had in 2 years? This is historical, chat. If you're in these shorts, this is a historical sell-off. You need to learn to drift on it. Yeah, but I don't know about the drifting. Like, see, in the OG Mario Kart, I feel like that doesn't give you the upper hand. I just don't. I never used to drift. And if you caught me on even Wii Mario Kart, I was a goat. I was the goat. And I never drifted. 150cc, everything. I wasn't drifting. So I don't know. Something's different with the Switch. Kiz at lol say I failed miserably. Yeah, Kiz, you and I both. We let the team down. John says currently it has dropped like 900 points from the high and like 700 points into Asia. I would expect a pump. Well, John, I will be sitting here waiting for that move. I'm going to let it drop, keep dropping NQ, and then when the bulls want to come out, I will be very much involved. I have to. That is the play. I'm waiting for previous week low now. That is the level I'm waiting to get swept. But until then, we wait. And we let the bears have their fun. Why not? Prince Amir says, next payout, investing in a Switch so I can play with you all on Fridays. That sounds like such a good idea. Guys, if you're here on Fridays, make sure you bring a Switch because we play Mario Kart and it gets It's very competitive, but it's really fun. Maybe we should put it on the spin the wheel. Instead of winning an account, someone wins a Switch. Honestly, if you already have accounts and you don't have a Switch, might not be a bad... Might have to run it by Nick. The bulls are taking profits. Yeah. All those bulls that were in here buying up NASDAQ, they're now profit taking. Definitely, we can see that on the tech stocks as well, being down. But look at this move. Look how the bulls came out and we rallied. This was from technically that end of March, all of April. That was a 33% gain. And so just having a little drop, I mean, when you zoom out, like zooming in, of course, it looks like a very dramatic drop here, but zooming out on the daily, it's just, we are still within this range on the daily. Like we haven't really blasted through anything. If anything, yes, previous week low should be tagged, but we're still within a consolidation range on the daily. So it's not like major market structure shift on the higher time frame on the daily. So nothing really freaking me out there. Longs, bulls are still going to come in. It's just about when, not if. All right, Russell thinks he's a pro. He says, I can already tell you the best mini turbo combo is Yoshi, Teddy Buggy, Azure Wheels, Paper Glider. That is the best combo. I don't know, Russell. I haven't seen you come out on top. Only once. So I don't know if I can trust your analysis there. I mean, is it working for you? Justin Fun says, is Nick in long? Nick is not in longs. Actually, we don't know what Nick is, but I would guess he's probably top tick these shorts. But, you know, we never know. Because what we do know about Nick is that he would be selling high, buying low. So, technically, he might have been selling from these highs. And he could be in a killer 700-point trade, but we'll have to wait and see. Make sure you guys smash that like button, because if we don't get to 400 likes, I won't bring him on. That's the rules around here. Caesar says, Slimewise Asia gang better than London gang. Well, that's just not true. I don't know where you're getting that information from, Caesar, but that is just not true. London gang is the best gang. Cheeseball says, Celine, I longed Globex open. I lost 1K in a funded. No, I hate that. Cheeseballs, but I know you will get it back. You're a gun. You will get this, so I'm not even worried. It is what it is. You got to let that one slide. It sucks, though. Balash says, no, Nick is in longs, 100% sure. All right, who wants to take a poll on whether Nick is in longs or shorts? Or nothing, actually. Or nothing. I want to see what everyone thinks. I don't know what he's in or if he's traded or not, but this would be funny. See if we can get it right. Oh, and the results from the polls come in. So 56% of you are bearish and 44% are bullish. So we're a little bit more on the bearish side, ever so slightly today in the chat, but not so heavily. Not so much. You think we go higher or lower? At this level, at previous week low, I say we go higher. I don't say we're going to keep crashing through this. 29,923 is the level. We're only like 100 points off that. But once we get down there, I would expect a bit of a reversal off there. Nothing to do but play games. That is the longest username. I'm just going to call you nothing to do. He says he's got $100 more to pass. Let's go. Are you in a trade right now? $100 is, I mean, it's 5 points on NQ. It's not a lot. You can get there. Don't force anything. Don't just take a 5 point, try to take a 5 point scalp. Trade your setup. Russell says it's fine, mine are 2, so it's fine. All 3 fundeds are gone for me, made me get a regime filter, so it's fine. Also, I own a... Russell, we need the context here. All 3 fundeds are gone for me, made me get a... What's a regime filter? I'd be crashing and falling off a lot, but the whole time my son climbed up my chair and was hanging on my back and poking my switch. Russell, why is your son always climbing on your back? But what is this regime filter you're talking about, Russell? That's something I've never heard of. All right, we're continuing here to fall. There is nothing, honestly, nothing exciting for me in terms of ES and Q. Gonna go back to gold to see. Nope, no bullish reaction there. So right now there is a sweep of previous 4-hour low and a previous 15-minute low on gold. So let's see how we react. This is the most recent bearish gap. I'm watching this gray box here. This is the most recent gap. If we do have a displaced candle through it, now this is the most recent. If we do happen to invert, I will take a long here on gold. But I'm just gonna wait and see. Russell says, I was trying to talk to you about my new regime filter, but you ignored me. Oh. Well, my apologies, Russell. There are many comments in the chat. How can I get to you all? Guys, no one has told me whether you guys are in trades or not right now. Some of you took profit already in the shorts, but is anyone getting into a long? I'd love to know. Who is long in this? Somebody is trying to call the point of reversal. I already know it. Morning, the African. Morning. Oh, why did Claude just pop up there? The regime is what the market is up to, says Russell. This is the bleed regime. My strategy and yours doesn't like it, so it's how we adapt. Well, I trade gold, so gold and the dollar. Interesting, Russell. I'm not exactly sure how you trade, but in markets like this, you can still trade the reversal. It still plays out. It definitely does. It's just that you need more of a high time frame confirmation for me, for example, like where a 1 minute inversion would normally be the go on a normal day. When we're so heavily bearish, a 1 minute inversion like that is not strong enough. So I'm never going to be taking that. Potentially a 3 minute or 5 minute gap inversion is a lot stronger. Daughter of the water says I hopped in along. Okay, damn, we've already got people trying to long this. I'm in along at 3. Okay. At 30,004. Oh, so pretty much just long this low right here. All right, you guys are very risky there. I hope today I will be getting into longs and reversals. Yep. Oh god. This is not good. That's your number 2. But all right, here we go. We have another poll in there. Thank you, Roman. Today I took profit, took a loss, or I'm not trading. Well, I haven't traded yet. Let's see where everyone's at. So far, most of us have either not traded or have taken profit already. Not too many losses out here in the London gang. The African says, I haven't got the account. I won just asking. Okay, so when do you know the date that you won? I'm pretty sure that was only a few days ago. So usually we have to last around 7 days, around a week to get that account to you. But just remind me. If it's been more than a week, then of course, but I'm pretty sure you only just won the other day from memory. So you got to allow a week. Yes, DJ Nix, I do need the caffeine. I've got to wait until Nick comes here and then I will go and make my coffee. It looks like it's overextended now. Need to pull back in the 15-minute. Yeah, it is way overextended. We've had such a deep drop here, and to be honest, there are so many gaps, so many juicy gaps that I want to be longing into, but I'm going to be patient. Also, we will have London volume come in 20 minutes as well. That'll also create the new hourly candle, so I'll be very interested to see how this current hourly closes. Yeah, are we going to sweep in this hourly, or is it going to be the London drop and then sweep? So potentially London falls first. This is what I would prefer to see. London falls, the London Open, we drop, we take out this level here, and then we can buy up into this hourly gap at least. And then once we're in there, we'll be taking profit and then potentially holding to see if we can recover all of this move right now. 700 points here. How big is your monitor? It's 27 inch. No worries, the African. Sitting on a hand, still the reversal. Same. I'm not getting into this, and I have no FOMO because I don't have a trade. And you know what? Chances are, if I just like take a stab at a short here and just go for it, chances are it's just gonna reverse on me. As whenever I try gamble, it never works. It never works. Gold buy or sold. Did you take any trade during New York? No trade for me during New York. I did not trade the session. And Prius, answer you gold buy or sold. I haven't traded gold yet, so I'm watching gold for a potential long setup, but I haven't had that yet. And based on the current market structure, we look like we might be heading lower on gold. Next level on gold would be this level here from the 10th of June, this swing low. That's the only other thing I can see in the way on gold that we could be dropping into, but we'll see. We will see. Getting very close to that level now. Come on, thank you. We're at 50, around 56 points away from that low. Celine, lunch yesterday. Sriluki, I had grilled chicken and potatoes. Very nice. G4J says, don't worry, Celine, I'll get into a short right now so you can long since the market knows when I'll enter always. Me and you both, G4Geo, me and you both. If I get into a short now, you guys saw it yesterday. Hold on, let's talk about yesterday. So I got into a short. Market moved against me. And to be fair, it was a risky play. I knew that. I traded it on evals, but I took it anyway. Anyway, market reverse, whatever, took me out as a stop. Then we don't take our previous day high, so that level is still intact. So then I'm like, all right, we'll wait for the pullback. Was very disciplined there. Waited for price to drop. Bought the pullback, expecting us to go and take our previous day high. Then the market wants to play the dump then. The minute I get into longs, the market wants to dump. So yes, G4Geo, I know the feeling. It's like you want to take it personal. It's like they know. These market makers know when I'm in a trade, do the reverse. Gold is getting close. Gold is looking interesting here. This is the 15-minute, and we have some consolidation here, and I do like it. Just I don't want us to close below this level here. I don't want to have a bearish candle close. There we go. So I'm watching this swing point on the 15-minute. You don't really want to be shifting market structure again, or breaking structure here again on gold. If I am to take a long, it's not as clean. So I would prefer us to leave the wicks down below in this area and then a long out of them. But we'll see. Ethan Rice says, hey Celine, remember me? Ethan, I'd be lying if I said yes, I remember you. You have to let me know. From where do I remember you? I probably have a terrible memory. Yes, Amia, the two accounts were blown yesterday. Those two evals. No more. So it's a funded today. There is no structure. It's a falling knife. Yeah. It's just endless lower lows, lower lows, lower lows. But beware, the reversal is coming, guys. My famous last words. I'm interested to know who this Ethan person is. Mick says, I'm checking the volume on gold. It's bearish right now. I believe the momentum is slowing down. It definitely looks that way because we do have this sort of range that we're stuck in on gold at the moment after quite a drop here. So waiting for at least to get to long back into this high at least, because this is all just consolidation. Up, down, up, down, up, down. We haven't really barely moved here. But yeah, right now, no sweep of previous 15-minute lows, so I'm not in that long. Just waiting. Mexican Dance says, bro, if you shorted at any time, you'd be printing. It's kind of true. But watch me be the person that shorts here just to have a stab at it, and then just the bulls come out just to take me out. Just for fun, says I'm staying up to catch the reversal. Let's go. This is going to be, I hope, a bang out reversal day. London is always that push before New York Stock Exchange catches it. Yeah, well, I mean, Asia session has already made such a move. I don't know what kind of London session we're going to get, to be honest. I hope it's a big move back up, but it could just consolidate. The last time we had a big Asia session, that's exactly what we had. London barely moved, and then New York just pumped. The trader guy says, horrible trading on my end, lol, negative 850 3 combines. I mean, the trader guys, a lot of people like appreciate you. First of all, W's for being able to be transparent about that, because a lot of people are sitting here in the chat saying, yeah, I caught 700 points. Yeah, I'm in these shorts. Yeah. But truth is, like, not everyone is banking on the charts when it's like this. So appreciate you for being honest about how your trading is. And that goes for any of you. This, just because you hear other people banking and making money in this drop doesn't mean you have to be in this trade, this market right now. If you don't have a trade, don't take it. So trader guys, it sucks, but I hope you followed your plan. If you followed your plan, then it can't suck that bad. It's just you're taking a loss. Move on. Next trade, next day, next session. You got to move on. The trader guys, this is the worst part. I was short at 3:30 and then misplayed that and tried to FOMO along the entire dump. Yeah. I mean, it's just you let the emotions get to you. I cannot say I haven't been there before. Let me say that. I know exactly how that feels, because you end up screwing up the short, and then so you try so much to just think, all right, this is the point it's going to reverse. The longs are coming in now. It's coming in now. It's coming in. And then you end up like, oh, where did that eval go? So I know how it feels. It sucks, but it is what it is. You will learn. You won't do it again, hopefully. Christo says, cheers, guys. Happy trading. Happy trading, Christo. AJ says, I was negative 1K. I put 22 micros into recover in one candle. Wait, what? So you did recover from being negative 1,000 down? You recovered in one candle? This feels previous week and log. It certainly looks that way. There is a gold setup right now, which I don't hate that. Yeah, I've got a buy limit place on gold there at that inversion. Reason is we did sweep this low now. We have swept out previous 4-hour low, previous 15-minute low, and there is a 1-minute inversion there. So think that stop isn't too risky. It'd be roughly a 5.6 stop there. Taking partial off at 1-to-1 and then probably reach for these highs. I don't hate it. Let's see. Miss Kitty Kazumi, I saw it approaching previous day low, confidently entered a long, tried the Nick strat, blew my account. Yeah, well, I mean, trying the Nick strat, I get it. I mean, if it's evals, it's fair enough because sometimes it can play out, but trying the Nick strat can be a bit risky. So be careful, guys, because stop losses are there for a reason to protect your account. And if you don't have experience trading like that, DCAing the way Nick does, because it's not that he's going in with a heavy size and then having no stop. He's sized in very small and he sizes in accordingly and has no stop. So he's not just risking his whole account and then not allowing for room. So it is a risky play there that you've done. But I guess, yeah, previous day low is usually a key level that you can see a reversal from. So it's fair that you tried the long there, but also how much were you risking? Was it a good idea to not have a stop loss in place? Like, you have to think about all these things. Did you trade with discipline, with proper risk management? But yeah, they said Miss Kitty saying lol, yeah, learned that the hard way. Well, there you go. I guess you probably won't try it again. Jalen says also he's doing it on 150k, so he has a lot more room to be wrong. True. Obviously, the drawdown is a lot more. And the way he does do it is that there is almost like thousands of points it can drop before it takes his full account, until it blows his full account. So as in, he knows how to manage it. It is something that I wouldn't just get into just once off. Like, you guys would have to backtest that, see how that plays out in real time for you and the way you trade, and then start using it on your accounts. But I wouldn't just out of nowhere start trading without a stop loss. I just don't think that's a very smart idea. Miss Kitty says, I did. Now I know I will not be trying, but I really appreciate you guys being supportive. Of course, we are always going to support each other here in the London Gang. Guys, trading is a very tough thing, and it's even more tough because it is a very lonely thing. So it's such a great, what am I trying to say? It's just good that we have each other. We can talk through our trades, talk through our problems, talk through what we've done wrong. If we have made mistakes, errors, it's good to have accountability, especially in trading, because sometimes we can just tell ourselves that, oh, it was just a loss, oh, whatever, get over it. But if you have people to keep you accountable, it's a great thing. So W's to the chat. All right, now, actually, wow, this first hour flew. Because we have only 5 minutes before Nick comes on here, and that means the likes need to be way higher than they probably are right now. So I'm going to quickly check. Let me have a look. What are we at? 245 likes. Guys, okay. There is almost 800 people watching right now. We need 400 likes to bring Nick on, and we are nowhere near that. So literally 150 people need to like, and there's over almost 800 people here. So a fair few of you are being very lazy. Go and smash the like button if you're just joining. Welcome as well. But yeah, go and do the work, chat. It's also like, what did I say? 480 likes. So we're even further away from the first giveaway target. So make sure you guys are doing the work, and we'll make sure that we give you those accounts. Simple. There we go. Nick says L chat. There you have it. L chat. What more is there to say? I feel supported from the host, but hostility from the chat. No, the chat. We need to back each other up in here. Good morning, Andrea. Morning, morning, morning. You're late, but I'll allow it. He's long. PPX says he's long. Nick, by the way, we've been trying to guess whether you're long or short or you haven't traded yet. A majority of the chat think that you're long. But guys, if we want to find out whether Nick is in trade right now, we need the likes. We need the likes. I'm checking. $307. Okay. 307 likes. We need 100 more. Just under. And I'll just be sitting here waiting. Mike Ting, first London session with y'all. Kind of nervous? Why? Don't be nervous. We're cool. Welcome. Welcome to the new people here. By the way, if you were here yesterday, we played Mario Kart. So imagine those people that were new to the stream yesterday. They probably think, what is going on? But once a week, we do play Mario Kart if we've made money. And that was yesterday. Celine, do you have a long open right now? I have a buy limit on gold, but I have no other. I don't actually am not in a trade yet. Not yet. Pressed it twice to help more. Rowie, you can't be. You gotta be trolling. If you press it twice, it means you unlike it. Just press it once, guys. Press it once. Wait. Let's see, is it going up? 331 likes. Still very, very slow. Yeah, Bogdan, you're right. Let's not talk about Mario Kart. NQ Predator says, I'm sure Nick is along with one micro from 30k on NQ. All right, let's see how well the chat knows. Let's see. Andrea says, you played yesterday, question mark. How was it, Celine? If you didn't get the first place, I don't know if I can still support you around here. Andrea, no. You have to. I need you to support me. No, okay. The issue was yesterday I was in Mario Kart, just saying. But the thing is, I let the team down. I lost. I wasn't first, and that's the truth. That is the harsh truth. But I'm getting better, Andrea. I will get better at it. I just have to train on the Switch. It's a very different console and a very different controller and very different maps and all of this, okay? Call it excuses, but it's true. Now, Mr. YT himself is in the back, so it's time to bring him on, but you guys, I need to make sure that you're doing the work because you can't just have him for free. Only 350 likes. We need 50 likes more in the next 1 minute. 730 people here. Go and smash the like. I'm just going to sit here. We're just going to sit in silence. That's it. We're just going to sit in silence. We need 50 more likes. And until then, nothing. Let's have a look. 360. That only went up 10 likes in the minute. I don't know. It doesn't seem like they want you on today, Nick. They're very slow with it. There's plenty of people here. Plenty. It's the thumbs up, not the hearts, guys. 368. Okay. 30-ish more. Go and like this stream, guys. The closer you are to liking the stream, the closer you are to that first giveaway target. So, I mean, we do this for you. Let's see. 370. $380. Oh, it's getting there. Okay. It's 400. It's 400 to... Hold on. 400 for the first, just to bring Nick on. Hold on. 20 still to go. 20, guys. You can do it. Ah, this is infuriating. You guys are just taking it slow on purpose. I can just tell. Well, I can confirm Nick is in a trade, but you guys won't be able to see that. Sadly, you guys can't see that because you haven't liked the stream. And I know more than anything, you guys want to know what Nick's trading, so just smash the like button. $390. Okay. 10 more likes, chat. 5 more likes. All right, we're ready. I got this. By the time I do this intro, I'm sure you guys would have smashed it. Okay. Well, we got there finally. And so now it's time. Let me introduce you to the white you wearing, head of and moving, GP trading, buy, hacking, YouTube catching, stay with ketchup abusing, Samuel trolling, KFC hating, intro creating, Five Guys loving, paddle playing, tennis playing, squash playing, water guzzling, chat banning, skydiving, shark swimming, parkour champion, semi mango, sushi loving, switch battle winning, super slippery, sock walking, accent king, definitely not CPI, full porting, no prep marathon running, Nictator, Deemsy strategy inventing, the one and only. No, wait, I skipped a bit. Mario Kart throws humiliating 91 no stop loss win rate once faded Deshaun, the one and only.
Come on. Just doing half the intro now? What?
That was a lot this morning.
Good morning, everybody. How we doing? You know the drill. Put a big fat 1 in the chat if you love Celine's solo hour. No other reason. Just the big fat 1 in the chat for that, because she crushes it every single day except tomorrow and Thursday and Friday when she has excuses. But besides that, she's doing amazing. So, good morning. How we doing?
Good morning. And those who guessed he was in the longs, there was a few people that were like, I'm so sure Nick's in longs. Correct, You're correct. You win.
Very correct. Currently in 2 micros. I'm aware of the slow-ish move down, so I'm careful. If price moves down slowly, then I don't really like going heavy too fast. So I'm only in 2 micros right now. And people are going to be seeing this and they're like, oh my God, he's down 200 points. Oh no. Well, let's just let this play out. Okay. It's going to be fine. I didn't see any news or anything. So, I mean, if we had news, it would have been a faster move down. Oh, we got Congo Man in the chat. Congo Man says, this is awesome. Let's fucking go. Hell yeah. Also, Ruchi's asking, Nick, what happened with your strategy trade? I closed in loss. Well, I did not close in loss. I made money on it. Not a lot, but I made money. However, I mean, I had the other trades before that too, right? So I had the initial 1 micro 518 point trade. Then I had a 109 point trade, and then I had an 83 point trade. So that all added up, right? That's like, let's call it 680 points, rounding against myself. It's a bit more, but 680 points, right? So I would have been able to take a loss, even if it would have been a loss, which it wasn't. But even if it would have been, I would have had the profits to make up for it. Because the profits in this case serve as the buffer, right? So now today I'm in 2 micros, but I still keep in mind that I had this profit yesterday, so I'm technically playing with that. But I'm not going too heavy too quickly because that is going to be dangerous on a day like that when it moves down slowly.
I'm in a gold long. We can
gold long, nice. What's your idea behind the gold long?
Idea is just sweeping for our low here. We have a nice reaction to that low. Also, we are inside of this 4-hour bullish gap on gold. This is the micros, by the way. So right now we're trading inside of this 4-hour bullish gap. If I mark that up, it'll be clearer. With a reaction to that midpoint and align with the previous 4-hour low sweep. As well as that, there is a 15-minute low sweep. So we had a London drop and then we completely sweeped that Oh, there is one market order. I just had a sell limit, just take profit one, just hit. But yeah, that is the reaction I'm looking for, and then potentially to get even higher into these highs. Not looking for a huge trade on gold here, but a bit of a pullback. Yes. So we'll see. TP1 has been hit.
We will see. Also, Celine, did your YouTube layout change? Because for me, the chat is now super tiny on the right side. I can barely read it.
No.
So annoying.
That's a you problem.
Very annoying.
No, yeah. I'm just gonna move this to break even on gold now. And we'll see what happens. No, that would be annoying. Maybe try refresh pop out your chat or something. Do it again. Might just usual.
I did that, but
strange.
That's like
maybe there is an update.
Like IT support when I say, "Have you tried turning it off and back on?"
You do the same shit to me every single day.
Funny.
Celine, plug it in.
My treadmill wants to explode. Well, but in your case, that was the correct advice.
But obviously the answer is to plug it in. It was just that plugging it in yesterday and to charge it was just an effort.
EMA is asking, Selena Nick, I just went long one mini DAX contract. What is your current read on the DAX price action today? I do not trade the DAX.
No idea. I also do not trade the DAX.
Nope. We're getting a little bit of a push up on NQ. I'm still far away from my average, still 130 points in drawdown, which again, completely fine with me. I don't care. I do not care.
So you smashed a 900-point trade?
No, 500 points yesterday.
Oh, that is crazy. Insane.
Yeah. It was nice. It was a good trade. It was a good trade because look, showing the executions. I can actually, I mean, I rarely do this, but I'm going to say this was a good trade because I entered it here at, what was that, 7:30 p.m. Eastern time, so on Sunday night, right?
Yeah.
30,382.
Yeah.
And then my exit of that was up here at 30,901. It's a bit over 500 points, but it was almost the high. So literally from the bottom to almost the high.
Yeah. Awesome.
Now we'll see what we do with this trade. New day, new trade.
I'm curious. We have previous week low very close there on NQ, but could be the same thing that we saw yesterday. We just come close to it and don't actually sweep out that level. As right now with London Open having just opened, we have made quite a significant push since that low of London Open has already gone up almost 100 points. So maybe we are just going to leave that previous week low behind and keep pushing here.
Well, I'm ready for it. I am ready. I mean, if it goes up, it goes up. If it goes down further, then we get another opportunity to add more. That's the plan. But I mean, it's been a pretty big overnight session. Like we have, oh shit, treadmill wants to explode again. 760 points down from the open.
But I don't see any major headlines or anything like that.
Same. That's what I said before. But that's why the move down was slow-ish. You know, not there isn't like huge candles to the downside. But yeah. 30,043 now. My average is at 30,148. So still about 100 points in drawdown. I was down 200 points. Now we're half that. I'm actually at my second entry in it right now. That was where I added my second contract at 30,034.25.
Nice.
We're a little bit above that right now.
Very nice. I just got stopped in profit on the rest on that gold long. So now sitting back and waiting to see another setup. But that was quite a strong bearish candle close. So W risk management. The trade still made money and we just got stopped on the rest there.
Very nice.
And I'm just watching NQ here. I can see that I would have had a setup, yes, in the first few minutes of London Open, but I'm just going to wait now to see if we can pull back. But I do like the longs. I'm trying to get into the longs definitely today. I've been saying it all morning. I'm waiting for the longs. So we'll see.
Let's see. I feel so bad for my cats because it's currently like so hot. And I took them into my office now because I have the mobile AC unit, which makes it kinda okay throughout the day. But it like in the living room, it's so hot. They're literally just laying on the ground all day. Like,
oh no! Do you have tiles in your house? Because I always like.
now we have wooden floor.
Okay, I think that's pretty cool. Still, carpet would be worse for them.
Yeah, they're just literally sleeping, laying there all day. I feel so bad for them. They have they have such thick fur. It's
oh yeah, they're fluffy. But cats love sleeping. Like they're probably having the time of their life.
Yeah, they don't really look like it.
Oh, well, Nick, you should be a better cat father and give them get them their own AC and like.
I mean, in here it's okay. It's just like in the living room, it's bad. Damn, what? Tim says I have 13 dogs here at the moment. 10 of them are huskies. Wow, and we have 33 degrees. Well, that's bad. That is actually bad.
That is not good. There is a heat wave going across London. Is that the same in Switzerland right now?
Europe in general. Like it's very hot here. We currently have like 37 degrees Celsius throughout the day.
Oh, wow. That's hotter than Greece.
It's warm. It's very warm.
Yeah, you guys have 35 today. What the hell? Let me check.
Burak ICT is asking, Nick, why are you long, bro, when MNQ was dumping? Well, I like to buy low and sell high. Yannick's, yes, I would never, ever do this on a 50K account. The drawdown is just too small. Way too small.
It's the same in Poland. I'm melting. Wow.
For the Americans, yes, it's about 97, 98 degrees Fahrenheit. So it's hot. AJ says, lol, in India, it's 41. Wow.
Celsius?
Well, apparently, yeah.
That's wild.
Francisco says it's 86 degrees in the Congo. Got the i3 Rex AC working. Dude, you're always in your i3 Rex, huh? Do you ever step outside of that car?
He might just live and trade and everything from...
Maybe he took his entire life savings and bought the car with it, so now he lives in that car. I don't know. Congo man, do you live in a car?
42 in the southwest of France? Damn.
This is mobile office. Mobile office and living room. Let's see. The Brian says, good morning, Nick. Do your thing. Well, I am doing my thing.
He is.
Always doing my thing.
Yes, well, NQ already having a bit of a move back up, which is what we wanted to see.
Right when you said that, the red candle comes.
Yeah. Come on. Well, black candle, pink candles. We need more pink candles around here.
And that realty guy says 48 today in Dubai. Well, that's hot.
Wow. Okay, you win.
Yeah,
that realty guy, you win.
I do not envy you. Like being in Dubai at this time of the year is just pure torture.
Yeah. You obviously can't leave the house, right? Like people just stay indoors. Like you couldn't walk outside.
Yeah, you go outside in the evening, if even. Francisco, Nick, how come your charts show entries and exits? Miriam does not show it on her charts. Well, I think you can enable it or disable it, your entries. I just like to have it enabled so everybody sees what I'm doing. To each their own. Burak, ICT, why always walking? Well, I don't know if you know, but it's a very common trader knowledge that if you walk, your trade will be more likely to hit TP. So that's why I walk.
I gotta try that someday. Kate Trades Readers, are you all millionaires? I am certainly not.
Well,
not yet.
I'm not going to say anything about it.
I mean, not yet, because it's coming. My first million.
Roy, I guess I lose because I sit. Burak says, bro, you are choking with ICT guy. Seriously, bro.
What?
Is that a threat? It sounds like, bro, you are choking with an ICT guy. You have no idea what you're talking to, bro. Is that what you're saying?
Damn. What's the issue? Let's talk about it.
What issue?
This Burak guy.
I mean, he has ICT in his name, so that already tells me what the issue is.
Hey, I trade ICT.
Yeah, I know, but you're not saying, oh my god, ICT is the only way to trade. There's no way, no other way to do it. You know, you just like the concepts and you trade it, and that's completely fine.
Yeah, that's true. Papa Nick is secretly a millionaire.
Okay, Burak says he's just kidding. Cool. All good then. Samik, what platform are we using? Well, I use TradingView to look at the markets throughout the day to chart. And then what you're seeing right now is TradeC, which you get when you have a Tradeify account. But I also, like for my other accounts, I really like executing on NinjaTrader. NinjaTrader platform, absolutely goated. It looks old, but it's stable. It works.
Francisco.
What's that? Go ahead.
Francisco is trying to start some ICT traders in the chat here. I know what you're doing, Francisco.
What is he saying?
He said ICT equals I can't trade. Well, question mark.
I didn't want to say it, so he said it. But
Come on, that's just a rage bait.
No, he's asking. He just had a question mark there, you know. He didn't make a statement. He asked the question.
This guy. You know what, chat? I need to make a coffee. I'll be back.
See ya.
Bye.
Roman is not going to be able to take you off anymore. You got to slide out.
I know. I'm just going to and be back.
Mike, Nick, did you sleep? Yes, I did. And then I woke up to the market being down, which is awesome for longs. Wag says ICT stands for I can't think. Tory Trades fan club says trend lines are the best. Yeah, sure. What else we got? It's Deeks. Which instruments do you guys like to trade? Well, I trade NQ and sometimes ES, but Celine trades NQ and gold, I think. PPK says the market crashed because you slept. I don't know about that. Russell says, okay, update. My strategy is saying gold is long now. Well, tell Celine when she's back. Tell Celine. Sahil says our own Andrew Garfield. So, all right, keep us updated, Russell. Let's see. Where is gold at? I just want a reference for when you say that. Okay, 4136.7. Russell says it's a good long here, which, by the way, do your own research, chat. Don't just do what Russell says. Okay. Boom, boom. Oh no, I wanted it to be reversed. Okay, here is when Russell said it was a good long. And we will see. We'll watch later. All right. Wait, no, my chat just jumped. I can't find you guys anymore. There we go. Door of the Woods, I was just in Lauterbrunnen. Really incredible place. Yeah, it's nice. It's nice. Sijamon Lucas, yes, of course. Trader Nikon, I'm a full-blown ICT trader. Here's the thing, it doesn't matter how you trade, just make money and enjoy what you're doing. That is correct, Nikon. That is the only reason why you trade, to make money. If anybody says anything else, you're literally wrong. Keg says, Nick, I do that pace in my sleep, double that for 8 hours at work. Sure. Monato would say, if you run instead of walk, will your TP hit faster? Yes. I just like for it to do it slower. ICT stands where I can trade. Yeah, somebody else said that already. The Congo man. Burak, bro, main thing is patience and discipline. Every strategy works. So no, not every strategy works. That's not true. The business land says cheap version of Garfield. Yeah, probably. Probably. Ashtik, Nick, what cars do you have or you plan to buy? So I do have a Tesla Model 3 Performance currently, which is a nice car. Very nice car. Definitely at one point want to get a Lamborghini because when I was a kid, I was always playing Need for Speed Most Wanted with Lamborghini Gallardo. I wouldn't want a Gallardo, to be fair, because I don't like it compared to like a Huracan or a Revuelto, but definitely Lamborghini in the future. You will never really hear about it though. I'm not going to be using it to create posts or anything. It's literally just fulfill a childhood dream doing that. Let's see what else we got. Hey, Mexican Dance. What's up, my man? T-Bone says, I'm not interested in shorting gold at the dead lows, and this is okay. Location for counter trend, but it's just that counter trend. SL again says, Nick, do you not want to buy the dip? Well, I always buy the dip. Oh shit, now my cat wants to get out of the office. 1 second. And I'm back. Quick question. I tried installing NinjaTrader, it didn't work. Which other platform can I use? Thanks, bro. Chris, finest. What do you mean it didn't work? Something doesn't work and then you jump immediately to the next thing? Tell me first what didn't work. Let me be your tech support. Tech support Nick here. Alcent says, I trade to make friends to play Mario Kart. Lol. Well, Sammy, the country restrictions, they're not like, it's not Tradeify making the decision to ban a certain country. It's usually the country's rules and laws that don't allow you to trade. It's not us. Gabe says, the slow grind down, I should have let my shorts run. Where were you short from, Gabe? I have a friend that does ICT. We trade at the same time. Either way, we read the market the same. Even we have a different strat. Mix Lionheart. Yes, I mean, that can definitely happen. Roy says, oh no, Nick. What? What, Roy? Jan says, not every strat works. Try this out. Full port and pray. It can work. It's not gonna give you a successful career though. Hey, even Roman knows. See, Roman says Need for Speed Most Wanted is the go-to game. True. True. Wag says, I want that white Lambo from Wolf of Wall Street, the Countach, or Countach, or however you say it. I don't like it. It's an expensive car now. In Switzerland, there is one for sale for like, I think, $4 million ish. It's pretty expensive. What's up, Celine? Welcome back.
Hello. Welcome. Thank you.
Why do you say welcome? I was here the entire time. So they've been asking me what car I'm planning to buy or what I want to buy. So Celine, what's yours?
Oh, okay. Look, in the near future or when? Like, dream car is obviously the McLaren Spider. Okay. That's like my weekend car.
Which one?
Now you're asking a lot. You think I've actually looked into it that deep?
My guess is going to be 720S.
750S? I think it's that.
750S, okay, almost.
But then, like, I've seen that in person, and I'm just like, I love that car. But who knows when I'm going to get to that stage in my life where I will be driving the McLaren? Maybe soon, maybe not. But then the other car that I really like is a Lamborghini Urus. I really like that car. That's like a dream family car. And then what I'm probably going to buy this year is probably something like a EV. I don't know, something this year.
I mean, if you want to make the Congo man proud, then buy a BMW i3 Rex.
Well, you know what? I'll have to look into a Congo man. I'm not a car, like, I don't know all the specs and whatever on that stuff, but after London, when I get back, I will be having to do all car shopping and looking, which is exciting. It's actually exciting. I do love cars. But
nice.
I haven't decided.
Rowie was asking what color would I get my Lamborghini in? Definitely matte black, Batman style. Easy choice. Jane Bond says, "Don't buy electric cars. Scam." What, Jane? Why? Why is an electric car a scam? That's funny.
Okay, the only thing I've thought of with the electric car, which might be annoying, is say you go on a road trip and some places like driving through the Balkans or through Greece like don't have the charging stations along the way. So what do you do at that point?
I mean, I don't know about charging stations in Greece. Generally in Europe, the charging network is really good. Like, I have never had the slightest issue when it comes to charging, ever. There's always a charging station close by. And okay. I've been traveling through Italy, and Italy is kind of similar to Greece. So, I don't know. Chicken is here. Morning, Chicken. He says, don't go through the Balkans. Well, yeah, I haven't been there with my EV, so.
Chicken, are you saying that there's no chance of doing a road trip through the Balkans with the EV?
You probably can. There's a bunch of people in the chat who say like, oh, electric cars stupid, don't buy electric cars. Guys, let's be honest. Look, I do want a Lamborghini, but that's because I want to fulfill my childhood dream, right? In general, EVs are superior cars. Like over gas cars, easily beat them. Easily. I just want to get my Lamborghini to fulfill that childhood dream, but I still drive a Tesla right now, right? So. Also
on that, what about hybrid? Do you know much about hybrid? That's also what I'm seeing.
I mean, there's a hybrid Lamborghini. That's what I know.
which is the best of both worlds, right?
That's well, yeah, you can only drive it for 10 kilometers though on electric.
Oh, what the hell? Okay, well.
It's just to get out of a neighborhood like silently, you know, to not scare people.
I have to do the research.
And obviously to get a quicker start. If you want to accelerate fast, then that's what it's for.
Always depends on what your life looks like. If you drive all day in your daily life, I wouldn't go EV. Otherwise, it's great. Oh, Chicken doesn't agree with your EV purchase there.
He says if you drive all day in your daily life, it wouldn't go EV. Otherwise, it's great. Well, why not, Chicken? Why not? I know what your argument is going to be, but tell me, why not?
Kiz says EVs are amazing. I've had one for 1.5 years now, and I can't go back to petrol. If I had to, I'd go for a plug-in hybrid with good battery range.
How many likes for a giveaway? I don't know. What was the like goal you said?
480 actually. Where are we at?
473 right now.
Oh, we're close. We're close. He says I drive my EV every day. Okay.
Constantine says, why will you want to buy an EV? We need to give money to our oil overlords. Yeah, they're starving.
How much is... Yeah, and then how much is replacement batteries? I mean...
As if you would need a replacement battery. What do you think? This is a fucking calculator?
I don't know. I actually don't know. I haven't done the research, I'll be honest. And I guess when the battery's like due to expire or whatever, like you just upgrade your car.
McKeck says EV is okay when you buy a new one, but what happens when it's 67 years old? Who will buy it and replace the battery? It's still not a calculator. I can replace the battery after 6 years? No.
Wait, so how long have you had the Tesla?
So I had the first one for 5 years. No, actually 4 years. And then I replaced it in September because the lease ran out and I could get a new one. So why not?
Wait, and you've never had problems with them then, because you've had it?
No, not a single problem.
No battery issues?
Nope.
Do you have a charger at home?
Yes. And that, if you don't have a charger at home, I would not get an EV. Because
No, my new place does. We do have a charger.
Nice. Then no problem.
So I got to think about it. Wow,
Chicken
this
says,
EV chat, everyone's like car experts in this chat.
Yeah, for real. Everybody suddenly is a car expert. Funny. Well, Chicken says it's better. The petrol network is still much, much better than having than the EV network if you have to drive all day in your daily life. Well, define all day. Like,
let's get into it, Chicken. Define it. I have a hybrid myself and I like it. I'm not an EV hater. Oh, so you drive the hybrid. Okay. Yeah, this is what I want to know. Hybrid versus EV. I think petrol's out of the question. Definitely.
Lavoisier says taxi driver. Duh. Well, I don't plan to be a taxi driver. Francisco says hi. Francisco. Well, he likes EVs though, he said.
I've got to look up this BMW i3 Rex.
The i3 Rex, I mean, it's the Congo man's car, so it's goated. You know it already.
What the hell is this? This car.
Roy
is this one of those?
Roy says, do Uber in a Lambo. Yeah, I mean, imagine the look on people's faces. Oh, Chicken, if you're a salesperson driving around back and forth as an example, you can still do that with an EV, no issue. At all. I mean, do you never take a lunch break? That's when you charge your car. It's going to last the entire day, no problem. And even if you say you don't take a lunch break because you have to take calls, well, cool. Then take your calls while you're charging it. No problem. Also, in today's day and age, which fucking salesperson goes from place to place? Don't just fucking do online meetings. What's your problem? Don't have to drive all day.
I'm just taking a long on NQ here. By the way.
Kiss says so many delivery vans in the UK are EVs and they are driving all day. Bingo. Chicken, you need to update your brain software. Oh. Yeah, you're looking for a loan, you said?
I've just entered along, but I have
Okay.
a larger stop on this. I'm keeping my stop below previous week low.
You said on gold or NQ?
On NQ, on NQ.
Okay. What time frame is your chart on there?
This is a 1 minute chart. This
Uh-huh.
is a 1 minute inversion. I've taken it off, but I like the displaced candle. So like I said this morning, I was saying I don't want to just see like 2-3 candles, given that we're so bearish. I didn't want to see an inversion that happens over like 3 minutes. I wanted to see a strong 1 minute inversion displaced candle in the one move. So that's it there. Took it just after that candle closed, and I have my stop, like I said, to allow for the previous week low sweep. Instead, like yesterday, I hesitated, didn't take the setup because instead I waited for previous day high sweep, and instead the market moved. So today I'm not missing it. I'm in the trade, and I just have a stop allowing for that sweep in case it gets there. So that's the theory, that's the method, that's the play.
All right.
And we'll see.
Go get it. So we're in technically the same trade now, taking longs on NQ. You have a way better entry than I have.
990. I'm just gonna allow for a bit. Yeah.
So now that we're both in trade, Celine in the trade, I'm in the trade, let's run the first giveaway of the day. If you want to participate in this giveaway, chat, all you gotta do is you have to like the stream, the actual thumbs up button below the stream. You have to subscribe to the channel, and once I send you the link to the Google form, fill out that Google form, but only do it once. If you do it more than once, you will get disqualified. If you ask me where the form is, Congo man, what the form is, how the form is, or what shape or form I'm in, then you're gonna get disqualified. And if you now ask me friggin' how to join this giveaway, then you get super disqualified. So here you go, here's the link. Here is the link. He says, what is the form? Congo. You are disqualified again.
Every day.
No, actually, usually he asks, where is the form? Now he asked, what is the form? AJ asked, what is the form as well? Okay, AJ, you're disqualified. Every single time after he says, where's the form? He says, damn it.
Rock says, what form?
Disqualified. Solter, how's the form? Disqualified.
What form of payment does Tradeify accept?
Close one.
All right, we're gonna
one.
Marco Game says, how are you guys today? Well, thank you for asking.
Disqualified. Keg, how do I join? Disqualified. Wesley, how is the form? Disqualified. IT Titans, how can I join? Disqualified.
Wow, so many people want automatic disqualification. What the hell is going on?
Gorav, disqualified.
Gorav.
Trader Sean, disqualified. Lucky Low, that is too close, disqualified.
Wow, this might be the easiest giveaway to win today. There might be 10 people left. Nick, how do I find my Riz?
Francisco, it's so confusing. Yeah, well, it's tough, you know? It's more confusing than trading.
Lol.
Gene Sci-Fi. I don't know. ICT is better than Nick. Am I disqualified? No. That's a cool statement to make.
What? People are asking, am I too disqualified?
Yeah, if you're asking if you're disqualified, you're disqualified. Where am I from? I know what you tried to do. Disqualified.
Ooh, Nick is being harsh today.
I mean, they're fucking forcing me. Francisco says ICT better than Nick at losing. Yeah, I mean, this other guy didn't specify what ICT is better at than me, so it could be losing. I don't know.
Oh, we do have a new person here.
We do?
Arivarani. I don't know. Nick, new to the stream. Do you stop trades manually? Did you want to answer that one?
Okay, if you're new, here's what you need to understand. When I take trades, I'm not planning to be out of the trade within the next 5 minutes. Like there's a lot of traders who try to take a sniper entry, right, with a close stop, fucking 3-1 risk to reward, and then they want to be out of that trade within 5, 10, 15 minutes max. I'm not looking to do that. I work a position, so that means I take a trade. And for example, today I entered one micro at 1 AM Eastern time. Then it went against me, so I worked my average down by entering another micro at 2:35 AM Eastern time, so 1.5 hours later, right? And if it goes down further, I'm looking to add more to this to bring my average down. I don't have a stop loss per se. And if I have to, I take off a loss, right? To take a partial loss to take the average further down, and then I add back in lower. So I'm constantly working this position, and I can work on this until the end of the trading day on props. On other accounts, I can even do it longer, but on this one, I have to be obviously out by the end of the day because of the rules, right? But if I have to work until end of the trading day, I'll do that. So hope that clarifies it. So I will not take it just off like a normal, your average traders trade. Visible 1D says, bro's just trading vibes. Yep, that's exactly what I'm doing.
It was built different.
Sahil says it's so funny to see Celine's face whenever Nick explains the strategy or trade. Wait, what's the face she makes? I didn't look.
I think I'm just like straight face, like I don't know. I've heard it many times.
She's like whatever. Let him do his thing.
It's true. I just let him talk. Also, I enjoy that you guys are trying to like work out. Nick, look, someone this morning said that they tried your strategy. They tried to trade without a stop loss and they cooked their accounts. And I said to them, like, let Nick do his thing. Let him do how he does it, because we don't know exactly how you do it. And it's important that if anyone is trying to copy the way you trade, that they do it properly, that they size in slowly and small. Like, that is what this is about. So it's good that they get to see you trade it. And because some people are obviously clearly not listening.
Some people think they trade the same strategy just because they don't have a stop loss and it just DCA.
Yeah.
That's not it.
That's not what's going on around here. I know. Yeah. So yeah, to those that have tried it, maybe don't.
Yeah, well, I mean, maybe you can, but
do your own thing.
Yeah, more important. All right, let's run the giveaway. We have over 1,000 viewers, so definitely run the giveaway right now. I'm just gonna copy everybody over. First, I gotta check if the stupid guy's here. No, he's not here. Great. So let me copy everybody. Let's see. Ooh, there's a lot of people in this giveaway. A lot of people also disqualified, so we'll see. I will have to double check. I will definitely have to double check if the winner is disqualified or not. Because I can't prevent them from entering the giveaway, but I can prevent them from getting the account, so.
Ooh.
John Stramberg, boom, 50K growth passed. Nice, well done. Well done. All right, let's spin it. First giveaway winner of the day is a very lucky person, and that person's name is Nestaso. Okay, let me double check if that person is disqualified or not. No, not disqualified. Looks all good. So Nestaso, type something in the chat. See you, kids. Yeah, thanks for tuning in. Have a great day.
I will see you very soon, kids.
Oh yeah, actually.
Have a good day.
Nestaso, where are you at? Yeah, Wesley, I did check the double entries. He's fine. Nestaso only had one entry. No problem at all.
Nestaso, are you here?
Mista? Or are you a Mises? Nesta so, hello.
Hello. Oh, maybe we have to spin again.
You have 53 seconds. 53 seconds to respond in the chat, Nesta so. Is this going to be a reroll?
I think it's a reroll.
Alter, I trade 150k select account. Nesta so. You have to type something. You have 30 seconds. To be clear, the 30 seconds, can I talk, are over when the clock hits 8:47 UK time, because you're going to have a delay. So when I say 30 seconds for you guys, it's actually 20.
10 seconds to go.
Yep.
It's a reroll. I'm calling it.
He's not here. 3, 2, 1, and done. All right, Nesta. So you lost your win. That's unfortunate. I mean, look,
Sad.
there were like 747 people in this giveaway. You literally beat the odds, right? You had a 0.13% chance of winning, and you blew it.
Damn.
That's incredible.
That makes it even
That is
worse.
incredible. So let's pick another winner.
All right, let's do it. Drum roll.
Drum roll. Here we go. The lucky winner is KG Solo Man 888. What a name.
That's a long name.
KG Solo Man 888. Where are you at? Nesta Sue went with Deshaun.
KG, where you at? Oh, he's here.
Yeah, he's here. Says, let's fucking go.
Nice.
All right, nice. Congratulations, KG Solo Man. Now let's see what you win. It's either going to be a growth, select, or lightning funded. You know what we're going to do now?
What are we going to do?
Because we're crazy.
Well, we go crazy.
Boom. Then Max Allo. Boom, boom.
Max Allo is crazy.
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's do this.
It's going to be 550k lightning funded.
Oh,
If it lands on that.
this is huge. All right, let's do this.
There we go. No Max Allo.
Oh, no Max
now.
Allo.
All
Okay,
right,
but
25k select account. 25k select account.
but
for
wait,
KT Solo.
wait. Should we let him have a double or nothing?
I mean, KT, do you want to do a double or nothing?
I mean, it's up to you. Just saying.
You decide. You can walk away with one account, or you can potentially win 2 or 3 or 4 or 5.
Or
you
also
can
walk away with nothing.
Walk away with nothing, correct. So let us know. Let's see. Hey, what's up, Leia? Morning.
Hey,
He says, no
Leia.
thanks, I'll take it. All right, 25K, 25K select account coming your way. All you're gonna do is add your email address to your YouTube channel description. Make sure it is your email address that you use to log into your Tradeify account. And we're gonna be sending you your free 25K select coupon code within the next 7 days. Are you still in your trade, Celine?
Yes, still in this, still in this. I
Nice.
have a stop wide below, allowing room below that previous week low level. Stop is at 902.
Nice.
Still in this, allowing to go into a bit of drawdown here, only with 2 micros in the bigger account. So it's all good. The risk is managed. Celine, may I ask you what indicators you're using? Yes, actually, I haven't had that question today. The indicators I'm using is the sessions and key levels by Script Edge. This is the one that I was using this morning to adjust to see new week opening, to see the previous week's low and all that. That's all customizable, changeable in here. And then the other one is just this indicator that I had built to visualize the way I trade. And that's it.
Nice. Nice. Andre, what's the next giveaway target? There's over 1,000 people watching, so let's make it 919. If we reach 919 likes, we're gonna do another giveaway. So everybody hit that like button so we can give away
909? Did we say?
919.
919, okay.
Leia says, hey.
Oh.
Go ahead.
All right, Leia says, hey, hard to tune in when I'm doing a zillion things with the family now that everyone is off. But Friday I'll be alone before traveling to London. So hopefully Mario Kart Friday for the win. Hee hee. She did a hee hee. Look, I hope we do it. Look, the thing is, I'm not sure if I'll make it for the Friday Mario Kart. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. But if not, I hope the blue team. Wait, what are we? Red team or blue team?
You were red team. I was blue team.
Red team, you better lift.
Well, there's not going to be... Well, we could do teams, I guess.
You know what? Maybe I will just travel with my Switch. Maybe I'll have my Switch and I'll tune in on Friday.
She won't.
Maybe I'll surprise you guys. Maybe I'm actually going to be there every single day and I'm just pretending and then I'm like, surprise, 7 a.m.
Chat, don't get your hopes up. She won't.
Why do you always doubt? You're a big doubter, Nick.
Well, I have reason to doubt.
I say something and it's always, no, it's not. No, she's not.
Based on past behavior, I have proper reason to doubt, Celine. And I think the chat knows that. And they will support me in my doubt.
I've just got a whole bunch of doubters around here. Why should I show up tomorrow? Why? All of you are going to doubt me anyway. Actually, you know what? This is motivation. This is motivation. I'm going to now rock up every single London session stream this week. Just to prove it. You know what?
Chat, she won't. I'm sorry.
Charge your Switch in Nick's Tesla. What? Why didn't you guys consider shorting this market? The only reason I'm not is because I don't trade. The model of trading I use is not a continuation, it's a reversal. So I'm not going to be trading in the shorts at the moment. I'm looking for the point in price that we reverse and long from. So price doesn't just always dump and, you know, for an entire day even. Like, okay, it has happened before, but in terms on the smaller time frame, which is what I trade, the 1 minute, you do get instances in a bearish day where you can buy and take those reversal trades. So that is why I'm more looking for the reversal here. I have previous week low as a level. I'm hoping that we just sweep and don't close any further below that level there. And off that, I'm looking to hopefully have the bulls come in here. So we're just about to sweep that level. But yeah.
Justin says, I feel like since Celine will be having so much fun, Nick should get time off and Celine should stream in London for London. Yeah, I like that idea.
Justin, good try. But I mean, yeah, I can definitely stream from London, guys. You know what? I will be streaming from London. How about that? I've just committed to it. I'm gonna rock up.
Sure.
All right, that's previous week low, by the way. We just swept previous week low now. Let's see if we can get these bulls.
Isildur, the next like target is 919.
Wow. Tut R says, I got to get off. It's almost 4 a.m. here. Good night, y'all. Well, appreciate you being up awake at those hours to trade with us. But have a good night. And yeah.
I just added another micro to my trade.
Nice.
So I'm in 3.
Is prop main source of your income question for both of you? For me, no. I'm a big you gotta have multiple streams of income. So no, not
multiple streams of income.
Multiple streams.
Good evening, says Sydney Ainzoe. Where are you from? Good evening. So that means you're somewhere in Asia. Very, very far right. Let's see how Russell's gold long is doing. Okay, so this was, look at the arrow.
Oh,
When
no.
Russell said, go long on gold. Well, I asked you, Russell, what do you mean? And he said, well, I'm just giving the chat tips so they can make money. Russell, you're gonna own it now. You're gonna own it. If you call out stuff, you have to own it when it was wrong. So.
Well. Previous week low is not having a reaction there.
Okay, he is owning it. He says wrecked and stopped.
We are about to have Tokyo volume come in. 4 minutes away.
Uh-oh, Celine, I have bad news for you.
What?
The Congo man is saying, Celine, stop incoming.
Congo man, no.
Oh, that's brutal.
Oh, he's so right. Literally the minute later. All right, damn. That's gotta hurt. That is a $230 loss on the big accounts and 118 on the small. So we're not tragic. It's not a tragic loss, but it is a loss. So that's frustrating. I was hoping for what I was talking about was this previous week low level being the area of reversal, only because it is a high time frame. A high time frame like a weekly level is usually something NQ would bounce from, but we're not even getting the bounce. So this is just a very bearish day. What are we down now? Let's have a look.
Keep in mind, this is a huge overnight session. There's 812 points.
It's huge
for the overnight. So this is not your average session.
Absolutely not. This is wild. Buy button is a curse today. Well, the day hasn't ended. The buys can still work, can still play out, but it seems as though we're not having that like immediate bounce reaction at the previous week low level that I would have expected to see. But the bulls can still come out. That is right.
True.
It's just a matter of when.
I mean, it's just a better buy now than it was before.
That is true.
To be fair. If you like to go long, then now you get a better entry than you did before. That's what this is.
This looks like a good low. Yeah, absolutely. This looks like a very clean. This is a previous week's low. This is like a very clean sweep reversal. Usually you can see like we've made this arch. Let me draw this. We had this low. We've come down to sweep this low. And now we should go all the way back up here. But it's not as simple as that as we wish it would be. Let's see there. Selena, you're going to be having tea and crumpets. Yes, and some scones in London. I'm going to be having copper tea and scones.
What's a crumpet?
You don't know what a crumpet is?
No.
It's like a pancake, but with holes in it.
A pancake with holes in it?
He goes, that's what I'm asking.
Yeah, if I knew what it was, I wouldn't be asking, right?
This is it. Look at my screen. It's like a pancake with holes in it.
Ooh, that looks good.
It's really good. It's really good.
I've never heard about that, seen it, or tasted it, but it looks amazing.
All right, let me explain. So what you do is you toast it, you put it in like, you heat it up, it gets like crunchy or whatever, and then you drizzle whatever you want. So if you put like honey, for example, it'll seep through because there's holes in the top, and it seeps through, so it becomes like a really sweet, like, yeah. Anyway, you can usually people put like butter or jam.
Sounds delicious. Awesome. Sounds amazing.
Oh yeah, there you go. It originated in the UK. I always thought it was just an Aussie thing, but there you go. It's not even from the Aussies.
Oh, there's another big move down.
We call those English muffins. No, it's different to an English muffin, you Americans. No. That is something completely different. All right, NQ free fall. That is exactly what's happening now.
I bought one more micro here because I like that fast move down.
This is insane. What a session. This might be the... I don't want to call the stats on this, but this might be the biggest overnight session drop in a long time.
1.25. I'm pretty sure the Congo man is gonna correct you in a second.
All right.
Because he has all the stats.
Can you let me know, Congo man? Is this the biggest Asia overnight drop we've seen ever?
He says fifth biggest point session. I told you he has the fucking stats.
No, but hold on. Biggest point session. Obviously, NQ during New York is going to have bigger points, longer, bigger ranges. But for an overnight, I think it is. Please confirm. I love that he said Celine's about to be stopped, and then 30 seconds later, I got stopped.
He knows.
He's just got like a voodoo doll, and it's just me.
It's like Celine the voodoo doll. Says wrong. Last year we had 1,272 points overnight.
Damn. So, Congo man, do you have these stats yourself, or like are you pulling them from some sort of like online data source, or have you gone back and collected all these data points yourself? Because that is some crazy data analysis there. I love it. I love data.
Cello says, so Nick got cooked twice. Well, can you define cooked for me, Cello? What is your definition? What is your definition of cooked?
Roman, we can switch. Nick is cooking is the definition of that. Let him cook. My back-end charting has lots of data. Your back-end charting. What is your back-end charting, Congo man? Tell me more. Nick is never cooked. He is the chef, baby.
Cheese balls, you're a legend. You know it.
All right, there's some receipts coming in here. I love it. This is good.
You heard the screenies.
Mm-hmm.
He says, custom script my Congolese bro made for me.
Of course. In the Congo, they do things different. You won't share. I get it. Can Congo man be invited to the show? We can find out all the answers. He won't even probably tell us all the answers.
Who knows? Sil says Nick needs some sun. He's definitely undercooked. Well, I'm Swiss. We're fucking cheese, you know? Our skin tone is cheese.
What the hell? Your skin tone is cheese? That's disgusting. The good news, Selena, you're not longing here. Nope, no setup for me there. Need to see that bullish reaction now. Otherwise, we might continue to drop here, and I don't want to be caught catching the knife. You know what I mean?
Justin says, yeah, Nick blends in with his shirt. Justin, just say I look like overnight oats at this point. Get some sun, Nick. Well, I will. It's very hot.
I know,
outside.
it's 35 degrees. What did you say? 37 degrees? How are you not
37, yeah, it's very hot.
Go and get some sun.
Celine, have you been to Africa? Peter is asking.
No, never. Should I? Should I go to the Congo?
I don't know. I mean, it would definitely be worth it to go to the Congo and meet Congo man, apparently.
Well, yeah, unless he's going to tell me, Celine, you have no future in trading. You're going to lose all your money. Like, no, I don't want to hear that.
He says 754 to 626, super yummy zone, most long squid there. So that's where you go long.
Yummy
Mixed,
zone.
Mix Lionheart says Nick is the Roger Federer of Tradeify. Hey, I'll take that compliment. Appreciate that.
Hey, as long as I can be the Djokovic.
You can beat the Djokovic. No problem.
Is he still standing?
That is very true. But Roger Federer is a billionaire.
And Djokovic isn't?
No.
Djokovic isn't a billionaire.
Nope.
Fact check.
Fact check.
Well, I can't just trust everything you say, Nick. Okay, 250 million net worth.
That is not a billionaire, right? Would you agree with that? Just not answering anymore?
Fine, I'm just reading. Whatever.
Oh, okay. Silent, orbit. Why you keep buying, bro? Well, because buy low, sell high, right? And it is now, by definition, lower than it was before. So I buy.
Oh, he has equity in On. That's why.
Well, we didn't discuss why. I just said Roger Federer is a billionaire and Novak Djokovic is not.
Well, I thought we were talking about like earnings from their tennis careers, because I mean,
we did not talk about that at all in the slightest way. No, nothing indicated that we were talking about that.
Yes. Okay. All right. Federer is a more wealthy man, but when it comes down to tennis, Djokovic has outlasted all of them combined.
Well, Roger Federer, let's see now. Roger Federer, lifetime.
Novak is a goat.
Let's see. So Roger Federer's earned an official $130 million in tournament prize money. Okay. How much did Djokovic earn? So 130.5 million for Federer. Let's call it 130. And Djokovic 193. Yeah, he beats him in tournament earnings.
There you go. And he's still playing. Like, the rest are just old. Federer got old. That's hard for a Swiss to admit, guys. You can tell.
What?
That Djokovic has got more earnings than Federer.
No, that's a fact. That's nothing. There's nothing to admit. That's a fact. Like, he has made more money from tournaments than Roger Federer.
Is he the better tennis player based on that? Yes.
Well, let's look at the years. 1 second.
You can talk about he's been playing for longer. Yes.
How many years played professionally? So he made 193 million, right?
Yes.
193 million in 24 years. That is $8 million a year. Now let's see Roger Federer.
I don't think this is a good method of working out someone, whether they're a
Roger Federer actually also played professionally for 24 years. So yes, you could argue prize money wise that he is the better player.
And we know why, because he's won more. And that is a stat that correlates directly with earnings. So there you go. The more earnings, the better, the more you've won equals the better you are. And there you have it, guys. We've settled the debate.
There was never a debate. I agreed with you.
Oh, Federer is not the GOAT. Okay, we've had it here.
I didn't even say that. The only thing I said was Roger Federer is a billionaire and Djokovic is not. That was my statement.
Okay, well, I assumed that every Swiss just believes he's the GOAT. Aha.
Assumption. That is where the danger is.
All right, well, let's not have this discussion anymore. It's settled.
Good.
It's settled. Djokovic is the GOAT.
Sure.
Done. All right, chat. Who else has something for us today? A huge range of discussions happening today. I know. What have we've talked about so much stuff today. Celine, now let's talk about Ronaldo versus Messi. No, let's not go there.
Yeah, Mix Lionheart. To be fair, Stan Wawrinka is definitely the underrated Swiss. I mean, it's brutal to to play in an era where there's Nadal, Djokovic, and Federer. It's just unfair. And he still won 3 Grand Slams. So Wawrinka is definitely underrated. I agree.
Did he retire now?
No, he's still playing. Nick says, Swiss people don't have much beside money and Roger Federer. That sounds like you've never been to Switzerland.
Sorry, they have cheese as well, guys. They got
chocolate.
cheese.
And
they do.
And all the luxury watch brands that everybody chases around the world.
Yes, they have that. But they also have chocolate. Yes, that's true.
And the mountains. Stan retires this year. Oh, I didn't know. Sad.
Huh.
Sad. And bunkers, yes. Very true. Very true. Justin, I see what you did there. Clean lakes, says Francisco. Very true. Very true. Dude, Tintin, you are fucking annoying. And
what is
you're
that?
You're gonna get a ban. Lifetime ban. See ya.
What is that? Do you enjoy hiking, Nick? Says Burke.
The older I get, the more I enjoy it. It's quite interesting. Because as a kid, it was always like, that was punishment. If we would go on a hike as a family, I would be like, oh, fuck that. Now, I kind of do. My fiance loves it.
Well, yeah, you live near some of the like coolest mountains in the world. I would love hiking if I lived there.
Well, you're always welcome to visit. Oh, Michael, yes, Swiss Army knives. We got that too. Very true.
Celine, you married too. I'm engaged. Soon to be.
Next year. We'll probably have the same date.
Yeah, this is going to be hilarious. Nope. Nope.
Yeah.
Is yours set?
Mine is set, yeah.
Yeah, I have to get a
Francisco, did she not run way up there, you said last week or something? Yeah, so she's currently training for an ultra trail marathon. That's going to be for 68 kilometers, which is crazy, and 3,000 meters of elevation. And so on the weekend, she ran for 41K, and I had a mountain bike and supported her. I was the aid station.
Damn. And what country is the ultra in? Is it in Switzerland?
Yes, in the eastern part of Switzerland.
Nice. Well, hopefully the weather is a lot cooler when she has to run that.
I mean, it's brutal.
It's tough either way.
What's that?
I said it's tough either way, obviously, running an ultra, but like weather conditions obviously is going to make it even harder. But
yeah, true. Nick, I heard from a friend who is a Swiss citizen himself that in Switzerland the sun sets only at around 10 p.m. Is it true? Yeah, in summer, sun sets around a little bit before 10. I mean, 2 days ago was the longest day of the year, and I think let's see right now. Sunset in Luzern. Currently 9:26 p.m. So a little bit before 10 p.m., but ish. No, Francisco, it's not in the Congo, that race.
What's the giveaway like, Target Zeus? It's actually 919 for the next one.
Need a quick bathroom break. I'll be back in a minute.
Okay. Sunset at 8:30 in summer in Australia. Oh, because of daylight savings now. But I was gonna say usually it's a lot earlier in Australia. That's one thing. Oh, Roman can pull Nick off. I didn't know that. Oh, okay. Well, apparently you can pull Nick off, but Roman can't pull me off stream, so you guys are stuck with me. But yeah, in Europe, definitely I noticed that the sun lasts longer here. Like the days are longer. It's obviously like to do with when the sun sets and everything, but in Australia it used to get dark at like 5:36 usually, and in the summer maybe like 7. So it's much better on this side. Landlocked countries suck. Greece is far superior. That's what Indy said. Yeah, gotta admit, to have the beach, to not be landlocked, it is a nice feeling, especially when you have some of the world's most beautiful beaches are in Greece. 7, that is early. Yeah, 100%. Andrea, that was like part of the reason why I wanted to move, because I would finish work. This is when I used to work an office job in Melbourne. I would finish work. I'd be driving home. It'd be like 5:30. By the time I got home, by that 6 p.m., it would be dark. Like black, pitch black. So it's a depressing mood. Like you don't want to come home from work and you've missed the entire day. Celine, do you have that huge daily bullish candle on Tradesy? I'm not on Tradesy at the moment, but I can tell you that TradingView, yes, there is a huge bearish candle. Oh, bullish? No, Nelly, I don't know what you're looking at, but today's daily candle is not a bullish candle. It's amazing. Wish it was like this all the time in the UK in 34 degrees. Yeah, I love the sun. I know some of a lot of the Brits are probably hating this because they're probably not used to it, but I'm very excited to be going to London this week and it'd be 30-ish degrees. That is my kind of weather. 6 p.m. here in Brisbane, it's like midnight and cold. Ash, I know the feeling. Hi, Nick. Nick's back.
Hello.
Welcome. Hello.
Thank you. Welcome.
Oh, and he's gone.
I'm gone?
And he's back. You're back.
Oh, my camera glitched. Okay.
Toro of the Woods wants to know, have I been to Crete yet? And the answer is no, but I'm planning to go this year. So stay tuned. I will.
Well, you're planning to go where?
To Crete. To go down to Crete, the island.
Oh, nice.
Yes. Celine, you might run into Djokovic someday. I hope so. I hope I do.
Fun fact.
He does.
My mom
Yeah.
almost ran over Roger Federer in a car about 20 years ago. Actually, no, longer, 25 years. That was before he even was a star. Like he was just coming up in the tennis scene. And so he's from Basel, Switzerland, right? And that's where I grew up. So she was going to park a car in a parking garage, and he came. So basically, like she was driving, looking for a parking spot, and he jumped out, kind of like she was joking around with friends, and he jumped out from like behind a wall. He didn't see her, and she had to do an emergency brake and almost ran him over. And then my brother was so pissed after that she didn't ask him for his signature.
But that would have been his career ended in that moment.
He could have ended Roger Federer's career.
Imagine that. Wow. That's actually a funny story. The dogs are playing up. Give me a sec. I have to close this door. The dogs. Hannah.
Say hi to Hannah.
Yeah, I will. Gotta shut her up. 1 second.
Can you analyze the chart AUD, CAD? We don't trade currency here. We trade futures. I only trade NQ and sometimes ES. Shagster, am I still in them longs? Yes. I am still in a long. Very much so. I'm down 200 points. Let's see what happens. Will I add again, Jimmy? Yes, but not yet. My last ad wasn't much higher. It was at 850. All right, so I'm looking for an ad around the 760-ish area. Maybe between 720 and 760.
Hi, I'm back. I put Hannah to sleep.
Welcome. Well, you put her to sleep? How?
Secret.
Knock
We don't
her
need
out.
to ask those questions.
Silver Shade Soul, am I long or short? I am long. Long as balls.
As long as what?
You know who always says that?
Who?
PW. I think it's funny.
What are you doing watching PW when you should be watching Tradeify TV?
You know, you gotta watch other streams, see what they're doing. Which trading platform am I using, Isildur? I'm using Tradesy.
We still hear the dogs? Do you seriously?
Yeah, we still hear them.
You know what? This is actually most likely my last stream from this house. So when I'm in my new place, when I come back from London, hopefully, there will be no dogs. So just put up with it one more day.
No dogs. Amir, no, remember the big day that took me off. So now I have to pass again. Kane, the no stop loss butcher strikes again. Yes, indeed. Indeed.
What's wrong with dogs? Kane, I got no issue with dogs, but when they want to bark in the middle of my stream, like, that's a little frustrating, you know? But I love dogs.
Kane, how are you doing, man? How's it going? Did you catch a short?
I just told Zeus you hate. He's sad now. No, I would never. Not Zeus. I love Zeus and Zealot. They don't bark.
Selena, that's brutal that you say you hate Zeus. Damn.
How could I?
Zeus is just a cute dog, and you say you hate him? It's kind of not okay.
Dude, don't make this about me against Zeus. Kane, you know what? Actually, Kane, you better bring those dogs to the expo. I need to see Zeus and Zella.
He's whimpering right now. Yeah, understandably.
Oh no.
Poor Zeus. Tell him I love him. It's just Celine who hates him. I do love him.
Nick doesn't even like dogs. You have cats. Don't even pretend like you're a dog person.
I do like dogs so much, actually. I like dogs so much, actually, that I don't have a dog because I know I couldn't give them the time that is required.
That's such a bullshit excuse.
No, that's actually not a bullshit excuse. That's actually the reason why we got cats instead of dogs. Because I know I couldn't give them the time that I would need to. So.
Whatever. Well,
Jane says he's doing zoomies now that Nick loves him. Hell yeah, Zeus. Do the zoomies. Let's go.
Whatever. Next time Zeus is on stream, I'm going to have to talk to him. Tell him the truth, how much I love him. Itosh says, hey, Fave Pair. Car is driving me across the US back to NC.
Now he's going to come in and say, Celine, it's pronounced Beto.
Oh, shit. Beto. Beto. Yeah, what a dump.
Yeah, I love it for the longs. Give me more.
I'm waiting for another long.
Are you?
I'll be here waiting for the bulls to come out of wherever they are.
Oh, yeah.
Whenever they decide to come out, I'll be here.
You'll be here waiting?
It's Joe Ever. What's that?
What?
It's what? I don't know. Kane said something. I have no idea what it is. It's Jova. What's Jova?
No.
What's up with the end of the world and NQ close to 1,000 points down? I have no idea. Foothill, I have no idea. Not sure how long this is going to be lived, but the shorts are playing out. Right now, from that Asia Open to the current low is 923 points down. So W's if you caught this drop, if you're in the shorts as well. Well done. Good hold. But I'm waiting. Do you know what Jemima is, Celine? Yes, Justin. We know Jemima very well. I don't know what news could drop to reverse this. Well, we actually don't have any major news today. Let me double check. No major news today or tomorrow or no, Thursday we do. Thursday we have red folder news. That's the only red folder news of the week for that could affect NQ. Who is still holding shorts? And where are your targets on this, by the way? Like, where do you guys expect to take profit?
I'm holding longs.
I don't know who's holding shorts. Cheeseball's still holding. Nice. Oh, Cheeseballs, then you've probably made up for your negative 1,000 that you woke up to, right? We need a Trump X first. Yeah, we do. First target 29,733. 783, 75. I have a runner and my TP will be a stop at this point. 29,400. Wow, you guys, 29,400? Some of you are aiming low. These days, no take profit, you just try your stop. Yeah, I mean, when it's moving this aggressively, I would agree there. Just keep trailing with this.
Mm-hmm.
I'm only down 6K. Hell yeah, says constantly.
Well, depends what his account is at. If you have a $1 million account and you're down 6K, that's actually only down 6K. If you have a 20K account and you're down 6K, not looking so good.
No, but I would say being down 6K is being down 6K. Why is it about the amount in your account?
Well, because 6K on a 1 million account is not going to affect you as much as 6K on a 20K account. You're getting a play called out from Congo Man himself. Damn. He says, Celine, you're safe to go long with a 167 point stop. Do it.
What? This is huge. Wait, how would that look? 167 points.
Mm-hmm.
You're saying roughly around here would be the stop. 29,641.50. Is that? Are you calling it there, Francisco? I may have to load up some evals for this.
If Congo Man says it, if Congo Man says it, then
Congo Man says it.
You should definitely do it.
Should I full port an eval with this Congo Man call?
I mean, if he gives you a personal call, I would do it.
And why me? Now I feel pressure.
Probably because I am already in the long and he knows.
Okay, wait. I'm going to load up an eval right now. This is hilarious. Congo Man, if you fail me...
But he's saying no, not full port. Just take a normal trade.
Why not full port there? Why not?
I mean, full port, you could not sustain 167 point stop loss.
Okay, what does he want me to take it with?
I mean, you have to be able to take the 167 point stop. Do the math.
Nick, you're asking for a lot here. But yeah, okay, I'll do the math.
What do you mean you're asking for a lot? It's just the math. It's trading.
I know, I'm just joking. Wait, I need to sort out this account. Hold on.
He says just like you traded before, whatever size you had.
I actually don't have... I need to get evals. One moment.
Just do it on your account that you're trading.
On the funded?
I mean, if Congo Man tells you to.
Scary business.
That's 1 micro.
1 micro. Okay. I'll do 1 micro on one account and I'll do this account. and I'll trade 1 micro. Wait.
He says you can easily get 300 points by 9:30 a.m. Eastern time.
All right, give me a second. Wait, Roman, switch charts. I just need to switch accounts on TradingView. Wait, which account was it? Oh wait, I've traded it with micros. That's why it's not showing. One moment. All right. Let's have a look. This is the Congo Man call. 1 micro at worst is going to do me, what did we say? 187 points. 187 points. Let's see, Congo Man.
In Congo Man we trust.
64550.
I mean, so far he has not missed. He literally has not missed.
64550. Let's. Can't even find that. All right, and we're in. And so, Conker Man, where do you say is the TP here?
Roman says, I bet Congo Man is someone from the Tradeify team.
This is very risky business. This is a funded.
He says you have missed 50 points since his call out. That's true. You were very late.
Damn. So what? It's not going to work now because the 50-point.
No, it's still going to work. But now your stop loss obviously has to be 50 points larger, and your target has to be 50 points lower.
Well, so what is he saying now? To extend my stop another 50 points now?
Of course.
But it was roughly where I was entering, was where I was drawing it up. Okay, we'll make this lower.
He says, get your loss back with this trade.
Let's see. I'm only taking this on one account. This is scary stuff. Guys, I don't like to be trading like this. I just didn't have an EVA ready. Let me draw this up in case anyone is wondering. Congo Man trade.
How much did you lose on the previous trade?
I was down 220.
$220. Okay, so how many points do you need to hit to make 220 on this trade?
110.
Okay, good. So that's where your target should be. Make your loss back.
Okay. One moment. 943.75. What is this? Negative R. All right, 943.
Make it a bit bigger, the target, so you get commissions out of the way as well.
Okay, here we go.
Slippage, but commissions, like do it, like 5 points higher, so 115. Then you will make $230. You'll make the loss back and a couple of dollars.
Let's have a look. What did I say? I need 110. Yeah, so I'm aiming for 123 now. I've increased it. Let's see, Congo Man. Is this the point of reversal? The Congo Man call out. Celine, remove the stop loss? Never.
His track record of call outs in the Tradeify TV chat is unbeaten so far. So
who is this
I
guy?
trust in this.
I don't know if I trust in this.
I trust. Andre, Nick, how's the gold trade Russell mentioned? Well, I already mentioned it before. It absolutely sucked.
He's a stockbroker.
Fonda Chabem says, stop walking, Nick.
Why did he say that?
No, I won't, Fonda Chabem.
Why? Why should he stop walking?
I won't.
Someone is, what's his name? Tariq Hussein. I don't know why you guys are so eager to catch the reversal. You'll see. You'll see, because when this market reverses, you will have wished you were part of these bulls. I mean, when you have...
Bogdan also said, stop walking, Nick. No.
Why? You guys are weird. Do you think it's done going bearish? I mean, we have dropped as low as previous week low. I'm not going to try and pick the low. No, I don't know when this is going to stop, but right now, Conga Man's telling me to go long. I'm in a long, but I don't actually, like, based on the way I trade, I wouldn't have taken this trade. This is not where I'm picking the reversal from.
Okay, this is getting a thing now. So IT Titan says, stop walking, Nick. Yep. Sahil, how many steps do I take per average on a day? 15,500-ish.
Damn. No, I'm not saying this trade won't work, but mostly traders look for reversals. Why not continuation? Not all traders, definitely not. There's a lot of traders that will trade with this momentum, with this continuation, and there are some that will trade reversal. I just prefer to trade reversal. That's what I've backtested. That's what I've learned. And that works with my personality. That's what I like to trade. But both work. Obviously, people are making money in the shorts right now.
Fonda Jabem says, better close this trade and take a short quickly. No.
No. Did we hit the like goal, by the way?
No, we're far away from the like goal.
Damn, and I have to leave early today, chat. So
we are at 749 likes. We need 919, chat. You better put in some work.
It's a little sad, those numbers. Tariq says there is no reversal momentum, to be honest. That's why I don't like it. Okay, well, go have a look at 10 a.m. yesterday. Go look at that New York session reversal. Go look at most London sessions over the last few years. Go and do the back testing. But where are the big buyers? When are they going to step in? Bogdan, Celine, how's your paddle training going? It's going great, Bogdan. Thank you for asking. I'm glad you asked. It's going really good. Found a club near my new place that I will be joining, and I will be out there every single day, smashing paddle. So you'll see. It's funny, Nick.
You are.
Whatever. Buyers not interested. The buyers will come. Don't worry.
I mean, you're in profit now.
I will be joining. It's not the same as I have joined and doing my training. The club is different. I'm doing other training outside of playing paddle, you know, working on the fitness. That's all part of it. You asked me how's my training going. I've been training. I went for a run yesterday. Okay, I've been training.
Good. See, you're in profit now.
That is true, Nicholas. I'm in profit, but it's not a comfortable feeling trading off the Congo man, I'll be honest. A lot of fun.
Well. Hey, Mario. Market Maker Mario, well done. Have a good night.
Hey,
See you later.
Mario. Well done, Market Maker Mario.
All right. I'm still in micro long, by the way.
How many micros now?
I'm in 4 from 30,020.75.
Nice. This is gonna be a nice trade for you today.
It's gonna work. It's gonna work. I got my receipts. Perfect.
Oh yeah.
Perfect. Actually, I don't have a lot of receipts. I only have one.
What? There were so many earlier on. I almost started screenshotting. Damn it. I should have screenshotted.
I just realized I only got one.
Damn it. There were so many.
So how does the Congo man do it? Is Rowie asking. I don't know. Ask him. Maybe he'll answer you. I don't know.
Well, I'd love to know, but the thing is, I even asked just before about how he collects his data, and he was very subtle about that. He wouldn't even tell me. So I don't know.
NQ Predator, how much drawdown do I have left in my account? $3,400 right now. 3,300.
He said not subtle. Well, Francisco, the question was how and where are you keeping this data? I want to know.
He says, I paid my guy a lot of money.
Well, I got money.
You have a lot of money? Because he paid a lot of money.
I got a lot of money.
Okay, what's the definition of a lot of money?
Oh, you know. If you know, you know.
If you know, you know. Okay. Fair. Lord Malik, I'm trading 150k accounts.
Spot has a lot of money, said Furniture Bam.
Of course.
Yes, she does have a fiance.
Mo says Congo Man is Brett in his alt account. I don't think so. Congo Man says we bought real data going back to March 2001.
Wow.
That's how he knows.
Interesting. Nick is Donald's nephew. He knows things we don't.
I might not be Donald's nephew, but I might know things you don't. I don't know. Maybe, maybe not.
No, Magnus Carlsen's buddies are Magnus Trading. All the Spuddy fans are in the chat now. I'm checking on the likes again because I have to leave early today, chat, and I wish I wanted to be here for the second giveaway, but it doesn't look like it.
No, it's not going to happen. It looks like it. We need 919 likes. We're at 787. And Celine has to leave in a minute.
No, I can stay another 6 minutes and then I have to drop off. So you got 6 minutes to get 919 likes.
Come on, chat. Make Celine proud.
Do it. Do it.
Wow, that was some enthusiasm. Do it. Do it.
Do it. Do it. Come on, chat. I want to see another giveaway. Francisco, if you use Claude, it's all there. No need to give any more money to your guy. Not true. I doubt Claude can access that many years of data points. I don't know. Can it? I doubt it.
DDQ says these Tradeify traders are bigger gamblers than us. Sure, if you say so.
Sure. Celine is French girl? No. No. Je m'appelle Celine. But I'm not French. Data points.
Daughter.
No, I know I say that funny. Data points. That's what you guys want me to say, but
Data.
data points.
Can you get a cuppa with my data?
Just a cup of tea and some data.
Okay, how do you feel about your Congo man trade now?
I'm feeling not good. Not good. Like, I do expect this market to reverse, though. Like, I'm happy to be taking a long today, but just not happy taking a long here. That's fine. It's a wide stop. I don't know. I don't know. All right, I have to leave in 4 minutes, guys. What are we doing about these likes? Come on.
They better get them up. We're at 827. Francisco says it's better than your loss, no?
Burn, Francisco.
Well, I mean, the trade is going on still. It's not over. It's never over until it's over. And he gave you the stop. He gave you the target. And he also said it's going to hit by 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. So there's time. Just don't close it. Keep it open.
Oh, I'll keep it open.
Good.
Don't worry about that. I'm not a bitch. I'm a bitch. I'll take this. I'm in this trade. I mean, Francisco, I've committed now. I've got the stop. I got the sell limit. I'm going to let the rest do its thing. And tomorrow, well, not tomorrow. I won't be here tomorrow. But the next time I'm in the London session stream, we'll have to reflect.
When is the next time you're going to be in the London session stream?
I will join you from London. I will.
Okay, so Thursday?
So Thursday.
All right. Tradeify Frank says, Nick always on some BS trade. Oh, finally I get another receipt. Thank you. Thank you. Come on, bring the hate, chat. Bring it. Francisco says, I'm more of a gangster. I don't lose ever.
Damn.
That is pretty gangster. You never lose. I like
I wish that was my life.
I like that.
Unfortunately, last week and this week has probably been the worst price action for me to trade. My worst, probably the most consecutive losses I've been having in my trading, which sucks, but I'm hoping it's just a time.
However, shout out to you for being honest and transparent and doing reflecting live on stream, because that takes a lot of, courage. So I respect that.
Well, I got nothing to hide. You guys see me trade live every day, and I just want you guys to know that losses are real, that it is a part of it, and like you will go through lulls like in your trading. That's just like a shit month or a shit week, whatever it is, however long it lasts. It's not forever. It shouldn't be forever. And if it is lasting too long, then yes, okay, you have to adapt things. But I have sat there and been in backtests and seen these types of markets play out. So I'm not worried about this. That's why I can trade. I can take a loss. And you guys see, sometimes I'll get a little agitated, but it is, at the end of the day, just a part of it. So I've accepted that. Coming back to the likes, because I do literally have to go in a minute. We're probably not going to get there, but what I will say is you better get there with Nick in the next 10 minutes to smash the likes, because we do want to do another giveaway. But I will most likely not see you now until probably Thursday or Friday. Thursday or Friday, Nick. I'm not going to say which one, but I assume maybe it's easier probably for me to join the stream from Thursday from London.
Celine.
Yes.
You need me to pull receipts already on the same stream?
Okay. I'm saying Thursday, but it could also be Friday and or. So let's just leave it at that. I will let you know.
Celine, you really want me to pull a receipt right now on stream?
No, don't pull the receipt. Can I get back to you guys? I'm not going to be there for the first hour, that's for sure. But I'll try drop in during
Wait, chat. Okay, I have to do this real quick. Sorry.
What?
I'm literally on the active stream right now. 1 second.
Nick, I'm saying to you, I will try to be there. Guys, chat, I will try to be there. But I can't tell you. I'm definitely not going to be trading that first hour. I can't.
That 1 second. 1 second. She's confused.
Oh.
Let's listen to today's stream.
Look, I hope we do it. Look, the thing is, I'm not sure if I'll make it for the Friday Mario Kart. Maybe I will. Maybe Mario Kart. Maybe I will. Maybe I won't. But if not, I hope the blue team. Wait, what are we? Red team or blue team?
You were red team. I was blue team.
Red team, you better lift. What? I didn't say. I said.
Oh, wait, Roman. We're not on my screen. Roman, go to my screen.
You know what? Maybe I will just travel with my Switch. Maybe I'll have my Switch not
Right.
Maybe I'll surprise you guys. Maybe I'm actually going to be there every single day and I'm just pretending that I'm really surprised. 7 a.m.
Don't get it over she won't.
Why do you always doubt? You're a big doubter, Nick.
Well, I have reason to doubt.
I say something and it's always not. No, she's not.
Based on past behavior, have proper reason to doubt. And I think the chat knows that. And they will support me in my doubt.
I've just got a whole bunch of doubters around here. Why should I show up tomorrow? Why? All of you are going to doubt me anyway. Actually, you know what? This is motivation. This is motivation.
Here it comes.
I'm going to now rock up every single London session stream this week. Just to prove it. You know what? Oh.
We're at this point now where I have to pull receipts on the same stream. That's crazy. Well, I wish you safe travels, Celine. Everybody
this
put a W
crazy.
In the chat for Celine.
I hate ending on this note, chat, because now it looks like I'm a liar. But you know what? I have to run it by the big bosses. Because if Brett says no, it's a no. You know that. So
Sure.
I will obviously try join in. I will try join in from Thursday and Friday. Nick, I will let you know what the goal is. But I want to be there. I will make sure I'm there for at least one of them. Okay.
Sure. All right. Have a safe flight. Enjoy your trip. And
all right.
Well, we might maybe possibly not see you in the London stream.
Maybe. All right. Appreciate you guys. Love you. Enjoy the stream, chat. Love you guys. Bye.
Chat, the giveaway offer still counts, okay? So if we reach 919 likes, we will do another giveaway. So hit that like button. Do it. Leia says, we love you, Celine. You don't lie. You just have a goldfish memory. This coming from Leia. It's funny. Wait, I got to screenshot this, Leia, and send it to her. This is really funny. This is actually really funny. One second. Okay, I sent it to her, Leia. Celine says, don't listen to Nick Tater. Sure. Celine messaged me in the back, Leia, and she says, oh my God, it's kind of true. Yeah, I mean, to be fair, Celine is not, she's not lying on purpose. Not at all. She's a good human being. So, all love for Celine. But she does have a goldfish memory. It's been a big job here in the overnight session. Total 924 points. And I'm sure the Congo man has the data for how big this drop was compared to historical data, which kind of rank this is on of the biggest overnight drops. Let's see. There we go. He's already here. Says the fourth biggest overnight drop points wise in the history of NQ. Notice, this is crazy. Fourth biggest. Foothill Futures Management says, nah. He says 993 third. So we're 70 points away from the third biggest overnight drop. 1,161.5, the second biggest. Okay. And the biggest is 1,293.75. Chat, the Congo man has the stats. It's crazy. Incredible. Jonathan says, good morning all. It's football day. Is it? It's always football day during World Cup, isn't it? He says points, not percentage, to clarify. Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. Because obviously when NQ was lower, let's say, just making an example here, this is not historical data, but let's say NQ was at, 4,000 points and it goes down 200 points. That's a 5% drop. Whereas now 200 points is not even close to that. It's like, I want to be extremely accurate. A 200 point drop from here would be 0.67%. England plays later, Jonathan. I've only gone and snagged the fucking ticket for the game. Nice. Enjoy that. Enjoy that. Fabio says, Celine's already gone to get her wedding dress. Nick, are you okay with being a bridesmaid? What the heck? Why would I be a bridesmaid? I'm still in my lungs. Yes, I'm still in my lungs. Chat, unfortunately, it doesn't look like you're going to hit the like goal for today. We are at 870 likes and we need 919. We only have like a minute. So either everybody hits that like button right now and we hit it within the next minute, or we won't do a giveaway, another one. Francisco says, I know a guy that has Gullwing suites in Atlanta for all the games. Damn, that's a baller. The Gullwing suites, they're nice. You know some ballers, Francisco. That's crazy. How do you know, as a fucking guy living in his I3 in the Congo, how do you know a baller who owns a Gullwing suite? That's crazy. Good morning, Inicio. It doesn't matter that you're late. It matters that you're here. Ursula says, well, I liked. Can I win now? Oh, chat, only 15 more likes. Come on. I'll give you a couple more seconds. Sorry, I3 Rex. I'm sorry. Come on, chat. We can do it. Brian says, Nick, more likes than viewers. Proves my point again that is possible because the likes stay, the viewers don't. It's a lease, not owns. Okay. It's still baller. Where's the form? Disqualified, Francisco, as usual. Okay, chat. I'll let you have this one last giveaway before we drop off. So, if you want to participate in this giveaway, all you got to do is like the stream, subscribe to the channel, and once I send you the link to the Google form, fill out that Google form, but only do it once. If you do it more than once, you will get disqualified. If you behave like Francisco and you ask me where the form is, what the form is, how the form is, what shape or form I'm in, or any sorts of questions along the lines of that, you will get disqualified. So don't do that, okay? And if you ask me how to join the giveaway, you will get super disqualified. So don't do that either. Those are the rules. Now I'm going to send you the form. One second. Here we go. Form incoming in 3, 2, 1. And bada bing, bada bong. All right. This is going to be a quick giveaway. I'll give you 37 seconds to fill out the form. It's going to be, you got to be quick. You got to be very quick. 27 until this 1 minute candle closes. So 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. Giveaway closed. You had to be quick. I told you, you had to be quick. We have a total of 357 people who made it. So the odds of winning are massively larger than they usually are. So let's see. Let's see who wins the second giveaway of the day. Spinning. Second winner of the day is the lucky Darth Linux. Hey, one of our OGs. Darth Linux, congratulations. Type something in the chat. Anything? Darth Linux says lol. That counts. That counts. All right. Congratulations. Now let's see what you win. It's either going to be a growth, select, or lightning funded accounts, or if you're very lucky, it lands on max allo, and then you get 5 150k lightning funded accounts. Let's see. No max allo. You get a 25k growth account. Congratulations. All you got to do to claim this account is add your email address to your YouTube channel description. Make sure the email address is your Tradeify login email, and we're going to be sending you your free account within the next 7 days. Congratulations. All right, update on my trade. I'm still in this. 4 micros from 30,020.75. Current price is at 867, 870. So I'm about 150 points in drawdown, which is completely fine. I'm planning to work this position until the end of the day if I have to, although I think I don't have to. We will see. Well, with that being done, chat, put a big fat W in the chat if you loved today's stream. Put an L in the chat if you hated every single aspect of it, which I hope you didn't. And then we will be back at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time for another New York session stream as usual. And of course, tomorrow, very important, the UK, the London session stream starts at 8 a.m. London time, not 7 a.m. because Celine is out. And it's just going to be me. So I'll start at 8 a.m. London time, and I'll go for 2 hours. So I'll see you all there. Have a great day. Take some W's, and see you soon. Peace out.